What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending on where, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, we are back at it today. The markets have completely gone bonkers. We are seeing a massive uptrend in the entire market right now. Yesterday, we actually started to see this come to fruition. Again, February 13th was kind of the date that I put out there for us to start. And it just so happened that that's how it worked out. And yesterday, the market started to climb out of it. And today, we're starting to see some crazy, crazy price actions in the markets again. Not to just include XRP, but I mean, HBAR starting to make comeback. BNB's looking phenomenal. Dogecoin, you go down the list of these things. Even Cardano coming out of the woodworks here and starting to look pretty damn good. And just couldn't be happier because a lot of us have been waiting through this and just, again, waiting and waiting and waiting. And it just kind of played out how we all thought it was going to play out. And those people that were sitting there waiting for this to happen, kudos to you for being patient. Kudos to you for just trusting the process. And anyone else that jumped out of it, I'm sorry. That is a sad deal. But hopefully you do find some good pricing and jump back in at some point. I know a lot of people actually tend to FOMO in versus waiting for it to come down, accumulate, and do what we see right now. And so all the people that have waited and got in at good prices, kudos to you guys for doing that. And before I jump into it all, what's up, Seiko? What's up, Matthew? It's good to see everyone in here. We got Queef in the house here. Sean, good to see everyone. Brandon, Toolbox. Got guys are all chatting up today. Adam, what's up, Adam? What's up, Adam? We got Tim Shea, the mayor of crypto's in the house here. What's up, Tim? Got Ian up here. What's up, Ian? Good to see you guys. Yeah, you guys came in hot with some gifted memberships here. Appreciate it. The A-Team is the best team, and always supportive and loving you guys for always holding down the fort, always gifting memberships to people to become a part of the A-Team and actually be able to then join the Discord. And I just couldn't be more appreciative of that. Inca, thanks so much for your what did I say? Happy day, A-Team. Yeah, 100%, Inca. And we got Toolbox coming in hot with the first 10 gifted memberships. If Toolbox gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Toolbox and those 10 new members. Welcome to the A-Team. Appreciate you guys a ton. What's up, Moto? Good to see you guys. We got Chameleon coming in hot with another 10 gifted memberships. If Chameleon gifted you a membership, please say thank you. And those 10 new members, welcome. This is opening up to be a great Friday. We got a lot of gifted memberships up in the house here. Everyone's getting memberships, it seems like. So that's great. R Lake, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Double D's in the house here. We got Nick Johnson coming out here with 5 gifted memberships. If Nick gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Nick as well. And those 5 new members, welcome. How do I enable gifting, guys? I think you got gifted one, Simon, because you look good right now. It looks good. So welcome if you just got one. I'm not finding anywhere on the SEC about Ripple winning the lawsuit. So again, I get that the thing might be a little clickbaity, and I'll get into the reasons why. We could all just assume that the Ripple case, that the Ripple versus the SEC was won yesterday. Literally, it was completely, it's done. It's over yesterday. The writing is on the wall. It doesn't need to be in writing on the SEC webpage. I think the writing is on the wall. And anyone that's out there arguing that it's not over is crazy, because I think that they just pretty much showed their cards. And we'll get into that a little bit here. Let me get through the rest of these, and we'll definitely explain that. So, thank you guys, for the memberships. You guys are fantastic, dude. Why are we getting pumped? I think there's just, man, we waited. Richard, thank you so much for gifting 10 memberships to the A-Team. If Richard gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Richard. And those 10 new members, welcome, my friend. Welcome, dude. Great Friday to open up here. Thank you guys. The A-Team is the best team. I honestly feeling better, feeling like I got a lot of energy. I don't know if it's because the markets are in the green. I don't know what it is. I just feel like I'm ready to take over the world today. And it's starting right now with everything that we're seeing right here. Dude, I can't believe that the markets are the way they are. I mean, I can't believe it. Trust me. We've been sitting here looking at the charts for a long time. But what's nice about it is XRP up 13% now over the last 24 hours. You got look at BNB up 15% over the last 7 days. A lot of these things are doing really well. Stellar up 10% over the last 24 hours. Everything is starting to make a nice rally, a nice upward trend here. And we said it was going to start February 13th. Anyone that comes in here and says that it wasn't said, that February 13th wasn't said, and you have to go back and watch my other stuff. So yes, Chameleon, dude, called a pump to the date 2 weeks ago. He's on the inside. Dude, I would just say, It's just math, man. I was just adding up trends, looking at math. That's all it is, man. I'm not going to take credit for it. But we were calling this for quite some time, man. Calling that February 13th was going to be the day, and here we are today. Seeing a massive rally. Look at this, guys. This is really really cool to see. I will 100% admit that this white line is obviously the date that we were calling this to break out. It broke out yesterday sometime. What was it, around like 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we just continued to rally up here. And I said if we could get past the 250, we'll get up here to the 280. We did touch the right around the 279 and had a little bit of a rejection right there. But I mean, hey, we're starting to build back up. We'll probably be able, look at this right here, this volume right here. We could easily get back to the $3 range. I'm hoping maybe today, maybe tomorrow, if we can keep rallying up, if we can keep the momentum going. We've already rose up about roughly 60. No, we started at 230, 240 roughly is where we were the other day, 240. Right down here at this 233, 240 range, which again, we're great buying opportunities here. And we're going to build back up to this $3 range really, really quick. So yeah. Good morning. What's up, Brian? Good to see you, dude. Stan the man. What's up, bud? Bro, how did you find this 0.01? I don't know what we're talking about. Yeah, happy Valentine's Day to everyone out there as well. Happy Valentine's Day out there. Hope you guys have a fantastic day with that. And, make sure you guys tell your loved ones how much you love them. And hopefully you do good things for them today. See you exactly as you said. It was pretty cool to sort of see it all play out, right? Ripperino, thanks so much for the $2. Hope you're doing well. Happy with the market now. Yeah, I'm doing well, man. The market's starting to look well. I'm starting to feel better. So yeah, I want to get back into this question before people jump in and be like, you clickbaited the title. I did clickbait it a little bit, but the reason why is because the SEC right here, you can't tell me that if you're still going to go after Ripple and you're still going to try to bring Ripple down, and I'm pretty sure you just showed your cards by acknowledging this filing. So now you're going to open up and acknowledge the filing of XRP as an ETF now, and you're still going to be going after them and think that they're security. Come on, guys. Come on. We can't be so naive here. Please read the writing on the wall. The writing on the wall is that the SEC is officially lost. The SEC is going to be moving on from this lawsuit with Ripple. They're going to wash their hands clean of it. And please don't be so naive to the narrative out there that the SEC is going to continue this battle. There's no reason to. There's zero reason to continue the battle. They've now, with this acknowledgement yesterday, they have now literally washed their hands clean of this. I know it's not out there. It's not in writing. It's not on the website. I don't think that we have to be science. We don't have to be in the room. We don't got to be lawyers. We don't got to do any of that kind of stuff to have intuition to know that Ripple and the SEC are officially done, dude. This case is null and void, dude. And so yeah, this right here, Ripple 1, SEC's over. Ripple 1, SEC 0. And again, I think this is a perfect example of why we're starting to see the rally behind XRP here. The writing's on the wall. This pump was happening yesterday, and it was funny. Adam hit me up yesterday and was like, "Hey, why are we pumping? What did we miss?" And I'm like, "I'm pretty sure they just got approved, and no one knows about it yet." And then like 20 minutes later, the news came out that they got approved. Well, I'm just letting you guys know that the Ripple won their case. I'm not in the loop. I'm not in the lawsuit. There's nothing out there in writing. But why? How I'll explain it? Just ask yourself. Explain it. If the SEC is going to continue down the path of tearing down Ripple, why the hell would they go through this? Why would they acknowledge this? Why would they continue this path? And the answer is they're not. They're not going to continue the path. And so that is the title of my video, and that's the narrative that I'm pushing until the end of time. Now is that the Ripple won. Ripple won it. They beat the SEC. The lawsuit's over, dude. I don't see it continuing at all. It's over with. So Austin Oscar said 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours. Now it's happening. Hey, man. Got to do it, dude. Love your hair, Austin. Oh, yeah, I got my little slick back in. Austin, you're sounding back to 100%. I still sound like hell. I'll admit that. But my energy is getting back there. Yeah, for sure. My energy is coming back around, which is nice, dude. Still having issues with Discord. Can't see the chats. Go to the rules section, Ian. Sorry, excuse me. Go to the rules, click on the rules, go down to the bottom and click the rules, and then you'll see where there'll be like the chats. You'll click on the emojis, and then you'll be able to get in. Yeah, FOMO is legit. There is FOMO coming into the markets right now. You can see right now that Bitcoin's about to go back above 100,000 here. Again, I hope this happens sooner rather than later. We haven't hit 100,000 since we basically dabbled around this back in February 7th, which was almost a week ago. But I mean, really, this was actually after a downfall bounce back. But I mean, really, we haven't established above this probably since around the beginning of the month, so almost 14 days. So it will be nice to get back above this $100,000. Seems like that's like a more of a it's like a psychological thing here too to get it back above this $100,000 mark on Bitcoin. And we're definitely going to get there. We're definitely going to get back above this 100,000 mark because I do think that we're on to the next ventures, man. I think we're on to the next level here, and I couldn't be happier for where we're at. Woohoo! Crypto going up, mortgage rates coming down. That's what it needs to be, man. We need rates to come down. We need people to go out there and start loaning against the banks again. We need people to go out there and spend money. That's how we get our economy to grow and become bigger and better. And that's how we all make more money. So we need more of that, dude. Bro, you sound way better. I feel a little better, dude. What's up, Toolbox? That guy coming in hot with 10 gifted memberships. Hey, dude, Terry, thank you so much, buddy. All your love and support. Thank you for the 10 gifted memberships. And if Terry gifted you a membership, please say thank you to that guy. Appreciate you, man. And those 10 new members, welcome to the A team. And Michaela, what's going on, dude? Long time no see. Let's see here. Hey, from Ohio, man. You guys from all over the place, man. Ohio. Yeah, memberships are coming out hot right now, dude. Memberships are coming out hot right now. What's up, Cool Cat? Good to see Cool Cat in the house here. Big watch, dude. Patrick, dude, man, I haven't seen Patrick in a minute, bro. What's up, Patrick? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, man. Hope all is well with you, bud. How do I have a gifted membership? You'll have a little thing next to your name if you get gifted, but it sounds like membership's coming around hot today. It's that Friday. Things are looking good. It's Valentine's Day. Maybe people are feeling like they need to give out and give some gifts out. So, happy Valentine's Day to everyone. But yeah, let's go down the list here. Even HBAR, dude. HBAR starting to come back around again. Another one of our things here that we've been following. This thing went all the way up to 24 just a little bit ago, and we'll continue to probably build out of here. If the whole market continues to trend, we're going to continue to trend. One thing that was crazy about Hedera is that Hedera lost a lot of steam, dude. It fell back into the 20. I don't know if you guys saw yesterday, but Hedera was below Hyperfluid is where it was at, and it actually came here, was ranked number 20 for like a good maybe couple hours, and I was like, damn, dude, it went back to the 20s. I almost panicked there for a minute, but then I saw, okay, wait a second here, dude, it's going to come back around, and boom, started to just up right here, 9% right now in the last 24 hours, and we're back at 16. We're going to be ranking this back up here. I do think that we're going to get back into the 14, 13 range here again as the momentum continues to grow. And like I said, the markets are up 3.41% right now, which is huge. I mean, anytime we have a massive fallout like that, to be able to come back and be back up 3.41% is really, really good. It's nice to see Ethereum come around, and there's just a lot of positivity in the market right now. Damn, Austin, I'm disappointed. Sean, thanks so much for the $3.99 super sticker. Appreciate you a ton, dude. Thank you very, very much. That guy, again, welcome back as a member, dude. Always holding it down. We got Golf and Rob here as a 2-month membership. Thank you, dude. Hey, Austin, happy Green Candle Day. 100%, dude. 100%. This is a good vibe to have today. Can you take a look in when shorts getting liquidated? Yeah, we can take a look at the liquidation map here in a little bit for sure. You called it, man. You said that. I did. I usually don't. Like I said, I'm not going to gloat about it, but I mean, it was pretty badass to. It's nice when you're forecasting, right? We started forecasting this a while back, right? I mean, we forecasted this a while back. I don't know how long ago it was. Maybe a couple weeks ago. Actually, yeah, it had to have been a while back. We started forecasting this, which again wasn't like a crazy forecast. It was just like, hey, dude, let's just look at the previous trend. Let's look at where it's at, and let's look at where we're at the bottom. And sure as shit, dude, we hit the bottom, and we're building out now. Look at that, dude. We hit that almost to a T, dude. Gosh, that's badass. I mean, it's cool when you hit your markers, right? It's cool when it actually works out, and it worked out literally to the day. Literally to the day it worked out. And so I couldn't be happier for that, to be honest. I mean, I don't know. I'm not going to take credit, but it is pretty cool just to be able to go back, look, and have it work out. So kudos to anyone that were actually following this. I mean, we were sitting there the other day, and I was saying 245 is still the buy. 245 is still the buy. Anywhere from 245 to 235 down to 225. Anywhere in between there was that's your area of entry before this thing starts to go. And so kudos to anyone that was actually following that for the last 7 days, 8 days, and realized that that was probably the entry point to get in, was anywhere from 235, which is anywhere in between here, to 245. And I mean, right now you're sitting, I mean, honestly, you're probably sitting, I mean, 15% up on a swing trade right now is filthy, bro. Is absolutely filthy. So I hope you guys actually did jump in. I hope that you guys actually did accumulate this price, maybe even put some longs in at this price. If you were choosing to leverage, hopefully you leverage at this price, because this is a really, really good return, especially on a top 3 crypto. And yeah, I just couldn't be happier for you guys if you did jump in on that and make some money today. Insider Trading Oz called this 6 weeks ago. Was it 6 weeks ago? Yeah, that's pretty badass, dude. Thank Adam. Thanks so much for the $5 donation, dude. And was it 6 weeks ago? That's quite a while ago. To think that we waited like this played out 6 weeks. Like we started 6 weeks ago and it played out to the T. That's pretty. I mean, it's pretty impressive. I don't know. I was not expecting that, dude. No, the PWT presale does not end tomorrow, I don't think. How do you not take credit? You nailed it. You know me, man. I'm not gonna come out here and say "told you so" type of thing. I just hope that I just hope that the people that were following it and had that opportunity are here making they're happy at the end of the day, and that's really all that matters to me. And yeah, 701 is the number, dude. I'm sticking to it, man. I'm not budging for my 701 number, dude. We're hitting 701 with the ETFs coming out here with they're going to beat the SEC. The SEC is going to come out here. They're going to say, yeah, we're no longer pursuing Ripple. You're going to have the ETFs come out here. The ETFs are going to literally catapult XRP to the next level. And on top of that, you're going to have the IPO coming out this year, which is again, that's for Ripple, but it's also going to bring momentum to XRP. There's so many things coming for XRP this year. And I get that these last couple of weeks have just been hell, dude. And I get that it's been bogged down. You got the inner fight, you got the fighting with the Bitcoin maxis coming out here attacking Ripple for everything it needs to do. It's going to fall down. It's going to crash below $2. All this crazy narrative that's been out there, and that's great, but it's nice to see XRP come through this. It be like it always is, man. It's been super XRP has been strong, dude, and they're going to continue to build out of it, and that's what we're at, man. And I woke up this morning and saw my wallet today, and I had the biggest smile on my face. Like I don't know, again, and trust me, I've already seen the numbers because we were pumped up here, but it is nice to come back and see those come back, right? I mean, because it does suck to see money leave your portfolio. Don't get me wrong, even if you're up a 5x, 6x, whatever it is. It does suck to wake up and see that you're down. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, because you're like, well, shit, dude, that's like that's some money left on the table, but it's going to come back. We have the confidence, and it's right here playing out in front of us. So yeah, I couldn't believe it. Seiko, love you too, buddy. Like the funky beats. Thanks so much for gifting 10 memberships to the A team, dude. Those 10 new members, please say thank you to Like the Funky Beats if you got gifted a membership, and those 10 new members, welcome. SEC doesn't have anything on Ripple, dude. It's over. It's literally over, dude. We're calling it. It's over. Throw in the towel, dude. Maria, thanks so much for the $2 super sticker. Appreciate that a ton. Thank you so much for donating to the channel. We got Crypto Merc coming in here with the $10. Do you think we have a 90% pullback like we have in the past markets? In the bull market, yeah. Where I think Crypto Merc 100%, dude. I think history is going to continue to do what it always does. And that's going to be that it's going to retrace back almost 85 to 90%, like most altcoins does. I'm not going to say that all altcoins are going to reach that 90%. Usually it's like meme coins and things that reach that. But yeah, we're usually right around like the 80, 85. I mean, Bitcoin usually goes about 70%, 73%, somewhere in that ballpark. And so and then we can see the altcoins usually go around 85, percent. And so, yeah, history has actually shown that. And I do believe that's what's going to happen again. So, find the top and then locate the bottom. And locating the bottom is a 83% decrease in value. That's just what typically happens in the crypto world. And I get everyone says things are going to change. Things have changed. It's a different time. Markets are, I get that it's a different time, but the market's going to do what the market's going to do, dude. So yeah, thanks so much for the donation to the channel. I really appreciate that a ton. Still keeping your 225. No, I think 225 is, I moved on from the 225. You know what I mean? 225 is just there as a buffer. But yeah, that 225 was still a great call. I don't give a shit what anyone says, dude. That 225 was ridiculous. Even if it went down to 274, I don't think I wasn't even expecting 225, dude. And it hit 225, and I was like, holy crap, dude. That actually worked out. Um, yeah, finally H bar's moving. It is, dude. Hey, Austin, I've been here listening. I can't be as active in the chat, busy at work. You're all good, Michaela. I appreciate you being here as always. Thank you so much. XRP going up and up. Yeah, you hate my clickbait title. Hey man, I'm just ahead of the game. Let's just be ahead of the game here. Let's just call it what it is, right? Why do we have to wait for the announcement to come out to actually put out the writing's on the wall? The SEC lost. It's over. It's done. Then you know how I know they lost? Because of this right here. Once they acknowledge this, it's game over, bro. It's game over, dude. They've pretty much acknowledged that they're ready to move on. And I think that's exactly what's going to happen. Let's see here. Amy, thanks so much for giving 5 memberships to the A team. If Amy gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Amy and those 5 new members. Welcome to the A team. Appreciate you guys a ton. And Amy, thank you so much. We got Umang. Thank you so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. If Umang gifted you a membership, please say thank you. And those 5 new members, welcome to the A team. You guys are freaking awesome, dude. Handing out left and right. Best financial advisor. Austin, buy zones are always golden. Yeah, 100%. What's your new entry point? I don't have a new entry point. My entry point was back there, dude. Rule number 1: do not buy on green days. And we're riding this bad boy out, dude. But again, you know, if you're trying to find entry points, I get what you're saying. You know, where's the next one? Right now, it's really hard to say. Your entry point's probably at this 250 marker, which is showing a fair value gap on the day chart, but that could even be too far. You know, so again, maybe back at this 265 areas, you could probably see some fallback maybe to that. It already came back and hit this 268 right here. So it could come back and hit these fair value gaps on the 12 hour. We'll see what the 4 hour is looking like right here. Yeah, so you're probably looking at this 265 area. But it's going to definitely, it's going to continue to rally, and it will, remember, it will settle down. It will find errors. So yeah, find these areas. 265 could be an aggressive one at this moment, especially if we keep rallying upward. We could just keep rallying up, and it may not even retrace back to where it's supposed to go. So we might not even have that, dude. Bougie Prepper, thanks so much for the being here. Being a member for 1 month, dude. That's freaking awesome. 1 month membership, dude. That's awesome. I love seeing people who have been here for a short period. You guys have been here for, it feels like a long period of time, but it's been a short period of time, and it's just crazy seeing how many people are here as members, and it's awesome. Michael, thanks for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you so much. Sky Black, thanks so much for becoming a member of the channel as well. Welcome, my friend. Austin, you are correct. More correct. Appreciate that. Ripperino, thank you for staying real with us and not selling bogus like all the other YouTubers. Keep filling my bags and invite you to my yacht in 10 years. Damn, I'll take that invite, dude. I'll take that invite as long as we're in like Greece or something like that. All right, bro. I appreciate your donation to the channel, man. And yeah, Austin, that was a sniper move. It was kind of fun, man. Gareth, Paul, thanks so much for the super sticker, man. Appreciate the donation to the channel. You guys are awesome, Dave. Thank you guys all so much for the channels. Rito Burrito, what's up, buddy? I could kiss you. You guys are funny, man. You guys are funny, dude. I'm trying to catch up to you guys. You guys are chatting it up, man. We got 1,931 people in here right now. Please make sure you guys hit that like button. I don't think I've been above 1,000 thumbs up on a channel or on a video in a long time. So make sure you guys hit that like for me. That would be my Valentine's Day gift. And yeah, we'll continue writing this out. So as you guys can see right here, first major thing I wanted to put out here is first major signs that the SEC may soon drop the Ripple lawsuit is right here. For context, the Ripple lawsuit initially ended in August of 2024 following the final decision of Judge Torres. However, the SEC revived the case a few months later with a notice of appeal, if you guys don't remember that. It says the matter has since progressed with the SEC filing its open briefing in this year. It says, in short, this has pushed out numerous pro-crypto developments, so on and so forth. It says recent developments indicated the SEC might end the Ripple case. It says right here, on Thursday, the SEC acknowledged the New York Stock Exchange application to list Grayscale's XRP ETF, which I just said. I mean, that is huge right there. It says this recognition is significant because it suggests the SEC may now consider an XRP ETF rather than reject it outright. So this is huge, right? I mean, this is already. I'm thinking by them accepting that. If you were dead set on going against XRP, wouldn't you just reject it? Why would you accept it? You would reject that, right? And so that's your first sign right there to me. And I don't know. Some other people are arguing that the previous SEC leadership would be dismissed, that the XRP ETF application cited that as recently as December, the agency denied a similar application of Solana. Exactly. That's another good example, is that they would have just, boom, done just like they did Solana. However, they didn't do that this one. It says it's also shifting the environment under the new SEC leadership. In parallel, this ETF Institute expressed that the acknowledgement could be a huge statement towards the SEC's ongoing case against Ripple. So again, the writing's on the wall here, guys. I mean, I don't think I'm the only one saying this. And I'm not the only one saying this, but a lot of people are out there saying that if they were going to continue the case, they would never have accepted this. And so I think that this is honestly as close to as them saying that we're not going to pursue this is you'll get right now. And I think that that's what's going to happen here. And anyone that's out there still hemming and hawing about this, like, you're on the outside looking in, man. You're on the outside looking in. And the writing's on the wall on this one, dude. And the SEC case is over with Ripple, dude. They're not pursuing it anymore. It's over. Let's hit that thumbnail. I appreciate you guys hitting that one, dude. XRP is flying. What's happening? I think that everything. They beat the SEC. This right here showed me they beat the SEC. It's done with, dude. The case is over. We're on to the next heights. We're on the next levels. XRP is a joke. There's no way, man. How is XRP a joke? Explain to me in all the words you can express in one single text how it's a joke. Jacob, thanks for being a member for 2 months, dude. Hit that like button, sub, get 100K. I appreciate you guys, man. You guys are all fantastic. Austin, they're gonna go through the motions. It's gonna end, dude. It's gonna end here quick. I mean, why would we waste taxpayers' money? You got to think about that. We're at cost cutting. Not only are we is the government at literally the peak of cost cutting measures right now across all agencies. You got Doge out here literally obliterating federal agencies, and you think that they're just going to allow us to continue to pursue basically a frivolous claim now that means nothing. It's going to end. It's not going to end how they want it to anymore. It's over with, dude. They're not going to waste the taxpayers' dollar. They're not going to waste any more money, any more time pursuing this. I think it's literally they're going to write a paper saying we're stepping away. We're no longer going to pursue this, so on and so forth. The Ripple may have to pay some fines, pay the fines, and we move on. That's what's going to happen. It's what's going to happen, dude. Mark it down, dude. We're not going to pursue it. They're not even going to go through the motion, dude. Why would you waste taxpayers' dollar? Why would we go through that motion? So I don't think it's going to happen, dude. There's no reason. Please don't buy. I got another 2 weeks. Yeah, I said this. I actually talked about this on, I don't know when it was, when I said that people are going to be looking back and they're going to go, man, I wish I could have bought at 235. I wish I could have bought at 240. And we're all going to be looking back saying that we coulda, shoulda, woulda, right? But a lot of us were like, yeah, we're buying it up. You know what I mean? So it is nice to sort of get that feeling. So right here, 2 reasons why people were thinking. Obviously, the number one reason why this is going on here is that this filing right here, the recognition of this by Grayscale being the largest. Wait till BlackRock comes around, dude. You think BlackRock's going to allow Grayscale to get all the fees? Hell no, dude. How do you think BlackRock makes all their money? BlackRock makes money off of their fees and interests. So just like any other thing out there, you make money off fees. And where Robinhood really effed up, and I still stand true to this today, where Robinhood messed up is they did not list SHIB. They did not list SHIB during the peak of where SHIB was going. The reason why Robinhood was able to file for an IPO and was successful as it was at launching that was only because of Doge. Doge brought in so much money for Robinhood off of fees and transactions that it actually single-handedly carried Robinhood to an IPO. If you don't believe me, go back and look at the history of the IPO. Go back and look at the history of how Robinhood got to where it was. It's because of Dogecoin, dude. It's nothing else. You could sit there. GameStop actually tore it down. It actually built it up, but then it came back down, and Dogecoin actually carried it back around with the fees. So go look at that, because that's really what actually brought them back and got them into the IPO status. Where they screwed up is they didn't list the SHIB. They should have went out there and listed SHIB automatically, and that would have brought in even more money for Robinhood. And they completely fell flat on their face. And that reminds me of something just like this right here. I do not see BlackRock being one of the largest institutions in the world missing out on an opportunity to file for an XRP ETF and bring in the amount of fees that they could bring in on their customers. They make money off their fees. That's where a majority of their money comes from, is feeing their, the fees that they make off their customers. You can't tell me that they're not going to go out here and open up an ETF. BlackRock is going to be coming around here probably in the next week or so, maybe 2 weeks, and they're going to be filing for an ETF. I get that they came out and said that we're only going to stick to Bitcoin and Ethereum. But when it comes to money, dude, you're going to set aside any belief that you have if it comes to making money. And that's exactly what's BlackRock's going to do, dude. They're not going to just let Grayscale come in and soak up all the fees and basically beat them outright when it comes to these ETFs. It's not going to happen, dude. They're going to jump in on every ETF that's out there. Don't let that be that. Don't let that smoke and mirror fill your brain. Like realize, like look outside, like just step outside the forest a little bit and look around, because that's exactly what's going to happen here. So it's not going to just be Grayscale. Kraken Pro made leveraging available for XRP in California. Dude, that's badass too. Yeah, we're starting to see a lot more leveraging coming out here. Crypto.com as well. If you had a court for a felony crime, but would you be able to get a job, or will the job say, let's wait till your court date? If you had a court for a felony crime, but would you be able to get a job? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think you'd be able to. I think you'd be able to. I mean, you're innocent until proven guilty, right? Technically. At least I think you are. Crypto Merc, thanks again for the $5, dude. XRP Las Vegas. I'll be back. The Cliff Notes for you. Are you going there? All right, bro. All right. Thanks so much for the donation, dude. That's awesome. Yeah, I was thinking about doing it, but I mean, I don't know. With all the soccer and stuff, I don't know if I'll be able to. glad Austin told me to buy XRP. Yeah, dude. Digital Orgy, you should have listened to me from day one. You would have got in at 30 cents if you listened earlier. It's okay though. I understand, man. You didn't quite understand XRP at that time, but it's okay. I'm just kidding, dude. I love you, man. Doug, thanks so much for being a member for 1 month, dude. You're the first crypto influencer I followed. Oh, dude, I appreciate that, man. Thanks so much, dude. I'm glad you're here. But so that's the first one here. 2 reasons is obviously the filing here. That's the biggest one here. And then obviously there's some Ripple partnerships that they're talking about here. I don't think that's the big reason why. The biggest reason why is because of this right here. Is the reasons why this is pumping right now. Anyone that says that, it's crazy. One cool thing here, I'm not going to put my numbers into DeepSeek, but you can see right here that DeepSeek's AI project, which is supposed to be the strongest in the world now, could trade between $3.15 and $3.50 by March of 2025. And we're talking by March 2025, we're roughly 14 days away from March. So, I mean, that puts us right back at the 350 range, puts us right in line for the 450. And it says right here that with an ETF approval, we could go up to the $455 range. So let's go back and look. I've already put my numbers out here. You guys know that. I've already said where I think it's going to be here in March. And it's right here at the 385 to 450. It freaking read my report, dude. DeepSeek read my damn report. 450, dude, is the top of where I said it's going to go, towards 450. And let's go back and look. Where did I say 450, dude? Dude, DeepSeek is reading my stuff. It's kind of messed up, dude. Kind of messed up, DeepSeek. It's kind of creepy. In the future, XRP will be the king and Bitcoin will not. You think so? You think XRP is going to be king? I won't be surprised if one day it is at $10. I mean, $7 is not outside the realm of possibility anytime soon now. I think these ETFs could catapult us up. We got to get Austin to watch. I probably got to watch a lot of more people. You should do one in Vietnam, a Prague. What's in Vietnam? Austin bringing the heat today. How much XRP does one need to be a millionaire in 10 years? I think that the number they were saying is out there. It changes like every day. I thought it was like 2,000, then it became 3,000, then it became 4,000. I feel like people were just throwing numbers out there, dude. I just think that you got to get your feet wet. Go out there, try to find something that you like. Try to find something that, or try to find an entry point and just, start accumulating. That's the best you could possibly do. Bad idea to buy 275 unless you have any. I mean, if you're still trying to DCA your way in, right? Some people bought, you got to think some people were buying up here at 330, 320. $3, right? So I mean, this is still, if you think it's getting back to the $3 range, which a lot of people are, including myself, I mean, these areas are still discounts. I mean, in all reality, we were battling these areas long ago. So again, I wish people were actually following and listening and were or accumulating during this period of time. I mean, that's kind of what I wish, but I get that not everyone has the confidence or has the money at the time to be able to do that. So yeah, I would wait. Honestly, if I were to buy right now, there was a question of like, where would I purchase? Like, where's my entry point? I would probably, me personally, dude, like I do not like buying on green candles. Um, so it's really hard for me to do that. But if I had to, I'd probably wait, like I said, wait for this to come back and maybe touch somewhere in here at this 267 range. And it might not. It might just continue to rise. And you just missed the opportunity, dude. And that's literally as honest as I could be with you. Case needs to be over April. So XRP before April, dude. Nate's Journey, I appreciate that, man. Thank you. Is it worth buying H bar instead of XRP right now? H bar, dude. H bar is just a little bit different. I don't think I think it's important to be in both. But yeah, I mean, there's a good opportunity here. I was just looking at this right here at this 21.5, right? 21.5 level, it was the area, the buy area that we had out there. I actually still have my buy order in for 225, 21.5. But yeah, just the other day we were sitting here talking about this, and I was like, hey man, that doesn't really matter. What's the difference here? And if you bought this right here, I mean, you're up almost 10% right now, which is a great little swing trade. And we're talking roughly not even 24 hours yet. So yeah, H bar is looking pretty damn good too. Chad Lynch, thanks so much for the $2, dude. What's your thoughts on Quant? I don't really follow Quant a whole lot. Quant's a slow mover, dude. I know Trent loves it. Trent's our quant guy here. I think it's going to do well. It's just a slow mover. It's not as sexy as a lot of these other cryptos that are out there that people are jumping on. Like the Sui's of the world, and even Jupiter, dude. Like, gosh, dude. I don't know if you guys have been following Jupiter, but Jupiter is going to be doing a major buyback. That's why this thing is coming back really, really hot right now. They're going to be doing a major buyback on their token, which is why this is causing this to go back up. So obviously, I've been following Jupiter for a long time. You guys know that. This is just really, really good opportunities here for Jupiter, and it's already bounced back in a day. I mean, like, this is fantastic over here in the last 36 hours. So anyone that got in on Jupiter, dude, like, kudos to you guys. You're already up like 23% on the day, or over the last 36 hours. So yeah, loving that one, dude. Jupiter, been following that one for a minute there. But yeah, a lot of these things are going to do well. When we have green markets like this, usually everything does well. And right now, that's what we're seeing across the board here. When you wake up and see the charts at up 3.64% in the last 24 hours is phenomenal. I said even having Bitcoin almost reaching 100K, which is going to be a psychological barrier. I hope we hit it here today. I hope we hit 100K today, just off the psychological barrier standpoint. Discord states email invalid. Interesting. Inca, you're wild, dude. We don't need AI. We have Austin. I've been saying 450 way before DeepSeek even was created. I'm just kidding. Sold my car a couple years ago and bought XRP. Did you really, dude? Is that real? That's badass, dude. If you really didn't put that all in there and now you've quadrupled your money, dude, that's fantastic. Any idea what's going on with Stargate Financial? Mark, I have no idea, dude. If the candle ain't red, it doesn't get my bread. I like that one. Angel. That's a good one. If it ain't red, it doesn't get my bread. Dude, that's a good one, dude. That's funny, dude. I like that. What do you think about Move? I mean, Move's different. I don't own any of it. I don't own any of it. Let's see here. I started my long trade at $3. It crashed to $1.70. I was able to save it finally, going up to levels. Hell yeah, dude. Minus 800. Hey, Pedro, at least you're getting out of the hole, man. At least you didn't get liquidated. Oh yeah, someone asked me. Let's look at the liquidation charts here. Yeah, at least you didn't get liquidated, right? So right now you can see right here, the longs are obviously winning. Shorts are getting freaking wrecked. Holy crap. 32 million wrecked in the last hour. We got 67 million wrecked in the last 4 hours. 133 million shorts wrecked in the last 24 hours. Right now we're sitting about 86,278 traders were liquidated in the last 24 hours, sitting at 183 million. Gosh damn, dude. You guys are people are getting, see, this is why leverage trading is crazy, bro. It goes one way and then it goes back the other way. It's crazy. You'll get the longs that will get liquidated and then boom, right back into where others are going to get liquidated here. Let's actually go back to the liquidation map here. Let's see where we're at here. Dude, actually looking pretty good. Damn, dude. The shorts are getting definitely pretty wrecked. We get past this level, we don't really have that much to build out right there. Damn. All right. You can see right here. This is the Bitcoin exchange liquidation map, and then this one's obviously the whole one here. There's really not that much. I mean, kinda. I guess our biggest hurdle is probably right here. Is it? Is that our biggest hurdle? 83. Yeah, I guess that would be our biggest hurdle right there, and that's right before we get to 100,000. So yeah, that's some pretty. Look at that, dude. That has 100x leverage right there. That candle right there has 22.35 million in 100x leveraging, dude. You guys are these are some degens out here, bro. The leverage trading on this is insane. Like, gosh dang, man, you guys ain't messing around on these leverages. Let's take a look at XRP here. I mean, XRP, look at that, dude. Look at the short liquidations right here. If we can get past some of these, we'll probably stall out at like 280. 280 is probably where we begin to stall out. 280, 281. Man, but we get past 280, dude. Look at that, dude. We get past 280. There's nothing right here. Nothing. From 289, we're gonna hit $3 like that, dude. We get past 289. No, sorry. We get past 286. I think the races are on. Probably before that. 281. I'm gonna say 281, dude. We get past 281 on XRP, the race is on, dude. The race is on for $3. And the $3 is gonna hit fast. $3 is gonna hit fast. If we get past 281, $3 is coming like a lightning rod. Let's make it happen, dude. Let's talk it into fruition. Let's make it happen. XRP to $3. If it can break past this big liquidation, this big short event right here, and that's not that much. 61 million accumulative right there. I mean, that's actually a lot, but you get what I'm saying. Like that's a good barrier right there. Let's see if we can break through it. If we do, man, that is crazy. There's nothing. All right, let's make it happen, guys. Let's make it happen. Why not? Why not make it happen? 261, dude, or 281 puts us about. That's not that far away, guys. 281. We gotta get past 281. I'm marking it, dude. Where is it at? Where's my horizontal line? 281. That is our line right there. We got to break past that line. That's our line of that's the last line of defense for them, dude. Let's wreck those shorts, dude. That's all I care about. Wreck those shorts, man. Can anyone resend the link to Discord? Oh yeah, I could do. It's in my description box if you want one. What's up? What's up, Bren? Good to see you, man. I sold 2 of my kids. You crazy, dude. I like Hondo. I do too. Yang, what's up, bud? If you can have any pullback right now on some coin, just up to 10 to 20, can you predict percent pullback? Yang, I don't. Which one do you have to give me? Give me something. I don't know. That's hard to make up. See, yeah, dude. Heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. See, now these things are going to come out. The SEC is going to start these, and we're only like 2 weeks away. We're probably only 2 weeks away from an ETF. If this gets approved, dude, the ETF's coming out quick. The ETF is coming out like faster than you think, dude. The ETFs are going to come out really, really fast. Yeah, I just saw it. Here we go, dude. This just came out literally 5 minutes ago. So good call on that. Breaking, the SEC acknowledges the filing for 21 share spot ETF. Respect, dude. This is what I'm talking about. Dude, these shorts are going to get wrecked, dude. You better pull your short right now, man. These shorts you better sell your position, man. You're about to get liquidated. Liquidation event coming in full speed. You don't think people are going to be buying this up before the whole market does? I don't think people realize what ETFs are. I don't think people realize what that means for this pricing. That means that everyone else that's going to go buy this ETF is going to buy XRP at market value. So this is telling you before the ETFs drops that, hey guys, this is like telling you you're going to get listed on Coinbase and you have an opportunity to buy XRP before it goes to the masses of people out there. And so if you're not buying XRP right now, what the hell are you doing? Like I'm not here to shill that. Like I'm telling you guys, like this is the game. You're getting told right now, by everyone else and their mom out here that the SEC is acknowledging these and that most likely this is going to go through as an approval. And when it goes through as an approval, that means that now they're going to be able to trade this on the open market, the NASDAQ, or actually it's going to be, I think it's going to be, well, I guess it would be the NASDAQ. Yeah. And people are going to be able to put their money in the funds, dude. Um, this is crazy, dude. This is crazy. And they're going to have to buy it at market value, dude. Market value. That's why Bitcoin rallied so hard, was because of market value. Yeah, I'm gonna try to catch up to you guys here. I remember the days when people in here talked to me about XRP. Lucas, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Easy XRP 526 end of 2K. Global adoption. Yeah, it could happen. Please explain what happens. Please explain what can the ETF bring the price up? Well, because they have to buy it at market value, dude. Well, they're gonna create a fund, right? And the fund's not gonna be worth what XRP is. Like, like right now, I think let's see here. I think I want to say the grayscales. Yeah. So grayscale, like I think grayscale's Bitcoin right now, their market price as of 213, it was $76, right? But this started out at like $30. This is like a 30, this or it's like it was like $30 or $20. I think it was $20. I had to go back and look. So the ticker is GBTC, and it was originally like $20. It was the original share of Bitcoin in this ETF. Now it's 76, and this will just continue to rise and rise and rise. Eventually, 5 years from now, we'll look back and this will probably be like $600. You know what I mean? Like that eventually that continues to rise and rise and rise because that's how the fund continues to grow. So XRP could come out here and it could be the fund to get into XRP could be, $15, $10. Doesn't mean it has to be the price of XRP. Just the fund to go in and buy the ETF is whatever they decide the fund should be. And then you go in and you put your money in there to buy up that percentage of the fund, and you continue to ride that up. And you say, okay, well, I got, now I'll have 100, I don't know what the ticker is going to be, but you'll be like, okay, I'm buying 21, out of 21 shares, I'm buying, 10 of these. So now you'll own 10 at $20 a pop. So no difference, but you have to, that goes in at market value and buys up XRP at that price. Right. So I'm assuming that Coinbase is going to probably be, the actual custodian of this. It is the number one custodian for Ethereum and for Bitcoin for all of these, Grayscale, BlackRock, all these. So, they're still going to be the custodian for it and be the leverage. They're going to be the exchange for it. So XRP is going to be no different, dude. I bet you XRP is probably going to be right up there with Coinbase as well. So yeah, this is like your timing. They're basically telling you guys that, hey, ETF's right around the corner, and you either jump on and do it now or forever hold your peace. I mean, this is what happened with Bitcoin, dude. Bitcoin came out there and Bitcoin went from literally like $42,000 up to $60,000. Sort of like info. Let's get Jupiter or XRP like examples. Can you predict a percent of pullback if there's a huge rise? Usually we have a 30% pullback, Yang. Anywhere from a 20, it's usually anywhere from like a 22 to 28% pullback is usually what most everything is. So just realize that. What really does matter in the OTC Bitcoin numbers is 1,400. Once this is depleted, they have to buy on the open market. Yeah. Open market, you're going to have to buy on the open market eventually, dude. It's going to happen at face value. Yeah. Sorry, I'm a little bit behind here. Looking how should have happened quick. It's because the SEC for years should just pass real quick. Yeah. What do you think about Polygon Matic? Matic's falling off the cliff, bro. Poly was like my baby, dude. I was buying it at 30 cents. I was so excited for Poly. Poly boomed, and then like it literally just lost all its momentum because of NFTs. Because they invested all their time and energy in NFTs. They have to provide a good reason for rejecting it so institutions can address the issues. Yeah, this is the big deal, guys. Probably the biggest deal we've seen in a while. But 81 is our number, dude. 81 is our number. We get past 81, dude. We're hitting $3. I hope it happens today, dude. I hope it happens today. I don't know if it's going to. but I sure as hell hope it happens today. Asian markets are going to wake up, see all the news coming out here. You got the European markets that are kind of going to sleep right now. But I mean, dude, this is actually a big deal. I'm still trying to figure out how to sell the rest of my Matic. Yeah, Matic's a little rough, dude. I kind of jumped off the Matic bandwagon a while back, actually, just because of their, they kind of fell flat. My partner got XRP for Valentine's Day. Hell yeah, dude. Got Valentine's. That's a good Valentine's one, man. Hell yeah. Can I get an invite to the Discord, please? Yeah, Sky's Black. You can go into my description box of my video here and click my Discord, bro. I love that. I love that movie, Digital. It's true. It's true that the SEC lost the case against Ripple. Absolutely, dude. The writing's on the wall. Look at that. You don't start posting these things out here. You don't start acknowledging all these ETFs. Now, this is even better. Not only did you acknowledge Grayscale, now you're acknowledging you got the Grayscale out here getting acknowledged. Now you got 21 shares out here getting, which means that Canary Capital is going to be getting accepted. Everything's going to get accepted here. The writing's on the wall that the SEC and the Ripple lawsuit is over. It doesn't need to be. It doesn't need to. If everyone's waiting for that to come out and be said, you're already behind the 8 ball, dude. It's over, dude. There's nothing else to say. What do you mean with the title? That's exactly what I mean with the title, dude. You don't need the SEC to tell us that the SEC is telling us right now that it's over. That's what this is telling us. So you don't need them to. You don't need to come out like we don't need to. We can see the writings on the wall. How do you feel about Pepe Unchained? I have no idea, dude. Bull run started. Straddle. Yeah, straddle the right. 100%, dude. Bull run. Here we come, dude. Q1 is always going to be February seems to be a good month. We'll continue to ride this up. We're coming up to the end of the hour here, and let's see where we're going. What do we have? H bar sitting here on 20. We're still looking pretty good there from that standpoint. Let's see what the 12-hour looks like. 12-hour still working its way up. Day charts at the bottom, dude. Day charts starting to work its way up right now. Anytime the day charts start to work their way up, seems to do pretty well. So we'll continue to see what this does for H bar here. XRP obviously having a rally like none other right now. Here we go. Imagine if you were able to buy it at this price down here, 272, and you're up right now 60%. Not even like 8 days. Not what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. God damn, dude. 11 days, dude. You turned 60. You were able to flip 60%. There's no official statement from the SEC or Ripple that the case is over. AuzSOME. No, I don't think there needs to be. I don't think there needs to be, dude. Like I said, choice habits. I don't think there needs to be, dude. I think this is it right here. This is what they're saying this right now. To get ahead of the bull, get ahead of the curve, dude. Don't be waiting. Just realize what's being said. It doesn't without being said. That's kind of what I'm saying here is that don't wait for what's being told. A lot of people are already playing the game here, dude, and way ahead of the game. And if you're waiting for that announcement to be had, it's going to be 350 before that announcement happens, and you're going to go, shit, I should have waited for that. At this point, I'd be pleased to punch even if one of my positions hits my sell target. All right. Thanks for the answer. I understand that the writing's on the wall. I just couldn't find anything that definitely said it was over. Yeah, like I said, I think this pretty much tells us all. I mean, I don't know why we'd go waste taxpayers' dollars if we're going to start approving this. If you truly believe that this is a security, you believe that you've been holding it down for as long as you did. You're not going to come through and accept this. You're not going to come through and acknowledge the filing here. You're gonna deflect it just like they did back in December with Solana. You're not going to move forward with it. And so by them doing this, I mean, it's happening. It's happening right now. I missed the boat. You can take up here and give your thoughts on BTC's 4-hour chart. Well, the boat for BTC, dude. I mean, I still have my chart right. We were here yesterday, dude. 2 days ago, we were here, right? And this is the golden pocket, dude. We're buying it at 96, anywhere in between here from 94. Look at that. It sat in this golden pocket for almost every day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13 days, dude. 13 days it sat in this golden pocket. God, dude. That's crazy. Yeah, it's starting to come back out, man. I think 100 we're right around the corner here. We're going to break the psychological barrier of 100,000 again. I bought 1,000 XRP coins at 254 and I'm cooked. Am I cooked? No, dude, you're doing good right now, bro. What do you mean? How are you cooked? You're doing good. What's the next buy-in? Good question, man. I think a lot of people are, like I said, the market fatigue kicked in. I think a lot of people were spent. I think a lot of people have spent a lot of their money trying to buy this area, and kudos to all those people that were able to do that. Honestly, kudos to all you that were able to sustain this and have the resolve to continue to build your bag, even in time where it's like there's uncertainty. And this is your payoff for it, dude. So kudos to anyone that got that. That's a tough one, 808 memes. You have to wait for this to settle down. I hope we continue to rise. Like I said, I hope we get to this 280, 281, dude. That's kind of the goal. Buy on red. Yep. Don't know Cosmo Gene. We'll explore it. Austin, can you show or tell how to transfer funds from futures to spots on Coinbase? I don't use Coinbase that much. Yeah, all you gotta do is just go to Coinbase. You just gotta go to the advanced side down here at the bottom. Let me get 808 Mimi out of the way here. Down at the bottom right here, you have advanced. Click on advanced, and then it'll take you over to your derivatives and your spot trading. Just go to the advanced side of Coinbase. So you can't do it on like the basic Coinbase. So you got to go to the advanced side. Yeah, Kate ended in 2015 to determine XRP was a currency. Yep. Today's a good day. XRP's flying. A new episode of Dragon Ball. Missing the sign isn't missing the forest for the trees. It's missing the forest for the shrubs. Hello from Wenatchee. Heck yeah. For most of at least the holding wise, what do you think? Yeah, I think you're in a good spot, Nikki. I think you're in a good spot. Got me some Cosmo. Nice, dude. This week has been full of bullish news. It has been. HBAR price prediction. I'm still sticking to my original price prediction with HBAR, dude. Obviously I want this to come back up to our original price here, but yeah, I'm still hoping we get up to this 58-cent mark. That's kind of the goal here. I was hoping that maybe here in March that we hit somewhere in here, going into February, March, so we get up back up to this 58-cent mark. That could be a big feat from where we're at right now. It's almost 100% return on gains right now. But that's kind of where I was at. Is the countdown on Pure Wallet website just the pre-sale discount? Yeah, it's just a discount. So yeah, the pre-sale on Pure Wallet right now is out there at purewallet.ai, and yeah, people want to jump in there. It's just a countdown for when the next pricing goes up. So yeah, you have to get in there like right now for the pricing if you want to get it, because I think it's going to change. I don't know exactly when. So yeah, thanks for asking. But it doesn't. I don't think it ends tomorrow. Just the pricing does. Austin, what's from Wenatchee? That's badass. I love Wenatchee. I was gonna do a swing trade. I got when the big drop happened, but it was swing trades. Don't sweat it, dude. Where to see that the XRP won lawsuit? Is it really true? Right here, dude. There it is. That's literally the writing on the wall, man. Writing on the wall is right there, and right here. And any other one. The Canary Capital is going to come out here. I'm sure this is going to be the only one that comes out here. There's going to be so many more of these ETFs that are going to now be approved today, and approved this week, or I guess next week as well. It's not going to be the only one. So I just think that these are just big things for the writing on the wall with the SEC. We're not going to pursue it. If we're going after the government right now, you have Doge out there going after all these agencies for wasting money. Do you think they're going to continue to waste money on the SEC and Ripple case? You think that we're going to continue to waste money on the XRP Ripple case? Like, truly ask yourself that question. Especially if you're out here and you're already showing that you're going to start approving these ETFs. I just don't see why we would continue to waste our time. I guess that's just where I'm at, dude. I'm taking the bold stance that the XRP case is over, dude, or the Ripple case is over. Holding since 24 cents, 4 years, dude. 777. That's badass, bro. Good kudos to you, man. Buy everything you can. Yeah, Austin, I heard you say you're going to sell most of your bag this year. Aren't you afraid that the run will keep on and you'll get left behind before big profits? No, no dude, I won't look back and regret. And I'm not going to sell. I'll sell probably. It all depends on how far it goes up, dude. So, I mean, if you look at realistically, I mean, I think trying to take realistic gains is where it's at. You don't have to sell your whole bag to make really, really good gains. I don't, like I said, I don't think a lot of these prices will never get back. We're never gonna get 30 cents back for XRP. I don't think. I don't think we'll ever see a 30-cent XRP again. Just like I don't think we'll ever see a $21,000 Bitcoin again. I just don't see it, dude. We'll never see a $750. I don't think we the $750 um, Ethereum. I don't know if we'll ever see a 750 Ethereum again. How can you tell what the top is when it comes? That's what everyone's gonna be gunning for, dude. You're gonna have so many people calling tops here, dude. Come here. Probably in August, September, October. Yeah, probably August, September, October, dude. You're gonna have so many people out there trying to call the top, dude. They're all gonna try to be the next person that calls the top, dude. Trust me. That's like the next. That's like the next biggest thing you'll see on here is everyone trying to call the top. You'll be so annoyed off all the clickbait titles out there of how many people are going to try to call the top. Dude, mark my words right now, dude. Write it down. You're going to be like, dude, another title of who can call the top. So I don't know, man. Only one person's calling the top, and only one person's actually selling the top. Only one person can sell the top in the whole entire world, dude. Only one person sells the top of the market. Who's it going to be? Austin is assuming it's over, but it's not official. He is likely correct. It's not official, dude. It's not an official I'm just telling you guys, like the writing's on the wall. Like, let's not be so naive. Let's like, it's okay to have our own thoughts. It's okay to have our own opinions and things like that. It's important to be able to do that, right? To create thoughts. And it's easy to see what everyone, I mean, without them saying it, we're all seeing what's being said. And so I just want people to be ahead of the curve on this and be lagging on the curve. Most of the people lag on the curve. They wait for the news and then they buy the market. Don't wait for the news and buy the market. Buy the market and then wait for the news so that you're on the positive end of it. Okay. So think outside the box, take a little risk, and just realize that they've won the case. It's over with. And if you haven't entered into XRP and you're looking for good entry prices, I don't know what else to tell you. We've been talking about this for a while now of these entry prices here, which again, you could have got back in these same prices right here were well across the spectrum here from literally back at December 3rd, dude. December 5th. You could have bought this at 230 to 245, 230 to 245, and you could have been making a good profit right now. And you can see look at this, dude. The average right now, the average is probably majority of people right now are probably in the profits right now. You can see where we have this lot of volume sitting here at 230, 237 right now. So a lot of this support level right here is where a lot of people are at. So a lot of people are probably in the profits right now, which is really good for XRP. When people are in the profits, that means they're going to probably buy more. So it's usually when everyone's down, they become discouraged and they step away and they don't want to enter in. So when you're in the positives, people tend to put more money in the market. So right now we're seeing that. That's exactly what's happening right now. And we're starting to rally again. We're at 279 right now, dude. 281 is our number. 281 is our number. We just went into the new hour. And 281 is our number, dude. Let's get these leverages liquidated. Let's refresh this guy. Let's get these liquidations events happen, dude. Look at that. It's already starting to happen. Dude, look at that. It already took away. I should have kept that screen up, dude. I should have just kept that screen up. It already liquidated half those positions. 281's right around the corner, guys. Did we get past 281? 281, man. You get past 281 and 282, it's game over, dude. $3 hitting like that. You can tell by the weekly bearish divergence. What are you talking about, Digi? Exit just keep going. Yeah, the top is in when all the sell starts. Yeah, right. Radar. Hey, when people start selling, dude, the top is in 100%. You could look at it like that. Let's not look too deep into it. Katie, thanks so much for gifting 1 membership to the A team. If Katie gifted you a membership, please say thank you to her. And that one person, welcome to the A team, dude. Should we wait now or wait until the price dips to buy in? You should have been buying. We should have been buying 230 to 240, man. I get what you're saying, Austin. Essentially, the SEC would not be moving ETFs forward if the lawsuits were still going on behind the scenes. The SEC, dude, 100%. Why would you be out here telling your whole audience, the whole American people, that XRP is it's a security. We're fighting it's a security. We don't think it's a good an investment. We think it could hurt people. So that's why we're obviously holding it. We're not going to allow people to invest in it because we want people to get hurt. Yet you're going to come out here and you're going to open it up as an ETF to allow people to move their 401ks into it, move their retirements into it, and you're going to sit here and still argue with them over it. No, it's over, dude. It's over. As soon as you opened up that door, it's over. 100%, dude. About as annoying as people making the case over videos every day. I know, right, Manny? I'm with you. Three Diglets. Thanks so much for the $10 donation. Is XRP king of the 100%? King of the, but not of me. No, but yeah, XRP, dude. Look at that, dude. We just bounced over, dude. 282. Liquidations coming in hot, dude. That went through 281 fast. All right, guys, hold on tight. Hold on tight, baby. $3 incoming, dude. $3 incoming now, dude. Liquidations are coming out. I gotta refresh the map now. Gosh dang, dude. That got liquidated so quick right there. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, look at that, dude. Completely just liquidated that entire freaking map right there. That 106, dude. That was 100. That was like, what was it? Like 100,000, 100 mil. How much was it again? Like $64 million just got liquidated like that. All right, dude. This is I mean, we could hit $3 pretty damn quick. I mean, when I say quick, I'm saying like in 24 hours. I mean, I'm not saying like within the hour, but I'm saying I mean going up high like that is pretty quick. If you don't risk it, if you don't have a little risk, you will not win in life if you don't risk a little bit. So you got to definitely risk something, whatever that is. You got to have a little risk. So South Korea lifting the crypto ban. I think I don't know if they've really had a crypto ban. I think they've just been yeah, you're having a pretty good fight right now over this 281. Let's actually let's go look at the spot trading on this thing. Let's see where the buy walls are on this. Damn, dude. That's the buy wall right now. Where's their next major buy wall? Damn, that's gonna come quick, dude. 290 is gonna come quick. It's already coming. It's gonna come faster than we think. Look at that, dude. It's getting eaten up right now, though. Here we go. We're gonna build back. This is actually pretty damn crazy, dude. Look at that wick coming in, man. Gosh dang, that new hour came in and just totally opened up that wick. That's a crazy looking wick right there, dude. But those liquidations happen fast, dude. Those shorts got liquidated quick, dude. That's what I'm talking about, man. You don't mess with the leverage train out there. That was a crazy liquidation event right there. We just said 281, man. 281 was the number, and it hit. It hit 281. Holy shit, that hit fast. Did the fear and greed index change? I think it changes daily. Yeah, ETH is garbage. The 24-hour volume on XRP is amazing. Yeah, the volume's nuts right now, dude. XRP King Duck, thanks for being a member for 2 months, man. Wow, thank you so much. This thing is flying, guys. This thing is flying. Michael, thanks for being a member for 2 months as well. Let's go. Yes, let's effing go, man. Austin, I'm here for my brothers. I'm here. My brother's family watching the charts to work at the moment, but always makes my day. I appreciate that, Danielle. Thank you so much. Appreciate the kind words. I'm glad you're here every day. And look at that candle, man. That thing got eaten up, man. What happened? Let's see. Let me refresh this. That was crazy, dude. So it looks like it did hit a little bit of a wall right there, but it's okay. It took away that massive yeah, we're sitting here. That's Bitcoin. I'm like, dude, that's a lot of money right there. Doesn't make sense. Yeah, look at that, dude. Damn. Look at the shorts that came in. Look how fast those shorts came back in to fill up that void. Let's see if we can actually fight through this. 278. We'll see if we can. It's gonna be a battle, man. It's gonna be a nice little battle here. But those shorts got liquidated and new shorts came in to try to fill up that position. I love the fight over 281 right now, dude. 281's the fight. My account looks amazing right now. Yeah, I woke up feeling the same way, dude. No guts, no glory, 100%, dude. Taking another mortgage out of my house. You crazy, dude. You crazy. UO went back down a little on the Coinbase. Yeah, it did come back. Look at that wick though. Look at the fight over the liquidation on this right now. That 281 filled up. Look at that. Look at the orders that filled up so quickly for it. It touched through, went through it, and then it came back. So yeah, there's definitely a fight for this position right here. Austin's on the 1 hour. Yeah, I'm on the 1 hour. Just looking at the one. I just wanted to see what the 1 hour candle looked like right now. I want to see that little fight over this area. This will be an interesting fight now, dude. Austin, can you explain what liquidations are and how they occur and what is positive negatives? Well, yeah, liquidations are so you just put a margin trade out there, or like you do a derivatives trades, and so you're buying positions. And so like for instance, like this one right here, you know, you're putting these liquidation events, you're shorting the market, so people are buying these positions and saying that XRP is going to go down in price, and then they obviously they buy it, and however low this goes, the better money, the more money they'll make, right? The lower the price goes, the more money they'll make. Then they can sell their position, and they basically that's how they make their money, and vice versa. If you buy in longs, you're wanting to go up in price on your contract. You're saying, okay, I'm going to start here at 270, and I'm buying my long, and you can go that way. Well, what happens is that if the price goes down, it goes opposite of your pricing. These people put out like 100x leverages right here, like this, for instance. I mean, it's showing you right here that there's roughly in this candle right here that a majority of these things are I guess where it would be I guess orange is I guess it doesn't tell you right there what it would be. I guess we can look at XRP's perpetual. Does it actually tell me where XRP doesn't tell? I'd have to probably find that, but right now you can see right here there's the perpetuals on here are basically like for XRP right here, or for Bitcoin. You can see that there's a lot of leveraging at the 100x, which is orange, right? These orange is 100x. That means that people put like $10 in, and then they borrowed, money from, they did 100x leverage on that. So they took out like almost like $1,000 from whatever exchange they're on, and they're borrowing $1,000, but they're using $10 as their leverage. So again, if they lose, they're going to have to pay that $1,000 back, right? So they're taking a massive risk, but you can win too. So yeah, you're basically buying positions and then trying to sell it. And what happens is that if shorts get liquidated, they got to buy back at market value, which causes that short squeeze to happen. So you kind of want shorts to get liquidated because it just keeps buying up the chart, and that's how you continue to bounce back. And so that's what I was hoping when you saw this right here, when this thing gets liquidated, they have to then come back and buy these positions at market value to pay back their loan. And yeah, it's kind of a wild process. But Crafty Falcon, thanks so much for gifting 10 memberships to the A team. If Crafty Falcon gets you a membership, please say thank you to them. And those new members, welcome to the A team. Appreciate you guys. Your lives are lit. I appreciate that, man. Austin in the A team chat input me 275.6. All right. 275. That's not bad. It's not bad. Fear and Greed is at 48 today. It's not bad, dude. 48 is not that. I mean, we've seen worse. We've seen better. Dumb to short. It kind of is, but people do it, dude. Frankie Donuts, thanks so much for the $10, dude. ETH isn't garbage. Only people that say that are the ones that didn't hold low, and MAD has become the highest coin. Obviously I've told you guys, I mean, ETH is my second largest bag. I think it's still going to do good. There's people out there that on all sides of the aisles that hate all different. I mean, you got Bitcoin Max out here that hate XRP that hates ETH, so on and so forth, dude. I just want everyone to win, and I want all these projects to succeed, and we're going to continue to do that. I think the space is big enough for everyone, and there's a lot of people out there that are involved in a lot of these things, and I just hope that we can continue to grow, and that's all I really care about. So yeah, thanks so much for the $10 donation, man, and appreciate the hell out of that. Yeah, we saw that TNT. Once you get liquidated, the shorts, they will go after the longs. Yep. Shorting it in a bull run is mad. Yeah, people are crazy, bro. I've been good. Up and Adams, good to see, buddy. Discord link says expired. Oh, does it? Damn, I might have to updo my link then. Never could get in on Discord. I'm sorry, Black Boy. Bye, HFAR. H bar is still hovering around. We're still trying to get back to this 24 level right here. You can see I still have that 24 level marked on here. I think that's our next level, our next barrier that we got to get over here. Are we on at the golden pocket? No, dude, we're well above the golden pocket right now. But these are all buy zones right here. Even H bar is still in a buy zone. You know, XRP, we can go back and look. I mean, XRP is now technically, it's actually falling outside of, it's actually in a sell zone at this moment, based off the charting, based off HIB, right? Anytime that we're in these from the 382 to the 0.5 to the 618, these are all on a descending side of this. We are actually now going to pull the other way around, because now we want to follow the retracement, which goes back down to. So this, once this reaches outside of the 786 right now, when it gets back up into here, which is now looking like we're right around the 292 level, that's technically into sell territory, based off your swing trade or off any trade really. And that's where people would probably end up taking profits, or they could be taking profits right now. I mean, there's nothing out there saying you can't take them right now. Just the further this gets out here, the more profit taking actually takes place. So just be aware of that if you're in a swing trade with XRP right now. So yeah, looking pretty good right now. And again, if you're sitting here holding for long term, hold it for long term. You know what I mean? Ripple didn't actually beat the case. This hype is all from the ETF announcement. Yeah, I'm just saying, James, that the ETF announcement has solidified that the case is over, dude. They're not going to. There's no way they pursue it anymore, dude. You're not going to approve a XRP ETF and then still pursue them. Like, there's just no way. Like, like literally talking out both sides of your mouth. Like, it's just not going to happen. XRP is highly undervalued. Soul Man, well, why did you sell that? The first rule: don't sell during a dip. Hope you learned the lesson. Yeah, selling can be tough, man. You know what I mean? Unless you're selling for profit. But yeah, trying to sell for a loss where you can work your way out of it, dude, is kind of crazy to me. You know, I never sell for a loss if I can work my way out of a position. And most of the time, I mean, probably 9 times out of 10, I can work my way out of a position pretty damn good. Even in a bear market, I can work my way out of a position. If that means I have to hold a little bit longer, accumulate a little bit more, you can usually work your way out, because there are always relief rallies in bear markets, right? There will always be a relief rally. You know, is it 28 days from now? Is it 36 days from now? I don't know. But you know, but here in a bull market, dude, like, there's no way I would sell for a loss. That's too easy to come back and be in the gains. This is taking money from, this is like, you know, what do they say? Like taking candy from a baby. I mean, this is literally what it is. What do you have? ETH is straight trash. I know Digi feels that way. I haven't seen anything where XRP won the lawsuit. I know. I'm telling you guys, I'm your first source to tell you that the SEC is no longer pursuing Ripple. I'm your first source. All right, I'm telling you guys that right now. I mean, just logically think about it. Like, just literally think about it. Like, let's put common sense back into this, okay? You're not going to do this. The SEC is not going to do this. They're not going to do this if they truly believed. Where to go? If they truly believed that they were still in a case here. I mean, first major sign that the SEC may soon drop the Ripple lawsuit. And I mean, you wouldn't be going through this process. The SEC would not approve these if this were the case. It's literally, I mean, like, that's the approach. Awesome, you gotta cool off on this wizard magic shit. Man, you killed me right there, man. That was actually pretty funny. SEC acknowledges 21 shares. Yeah, I saw that, Daniel. That's what the SEC. I mean, you look very happy. Well, I mean, I woke up, dude, and I mean, my portfolio is good. A team's great. Everyone out here is doing fantastic. I mean, smile. I'm not the only one with a smile on my face this morning. I'll tell you that, dude. It's Valentine's Day. You go. It's the day of love. You know, we're back to 280 again here for XRP. We're going to continue to wipe out these liquidation. We're going to continue to liquidate this level of 281 here. We're going to continue to build up, and our next level is $3, dude. We're going to hit $3. $3 is coming in, man, whether you like it or not. 280 is right there, man. 280 for the taking, dude. For the ETF industry, the addition of Texas-based exchanges could give fund companies more choices. Yeah, I would agree with that, Terry. Happened back in January. I think they moved over to appeals, right? It's in the appeals section now versus litigation. I can't remember what it was. Something along those lines. Great day for all of us. 100%, dude. Austin, you and Waters Above Crypto are the only ones I subscribed and follow, and it's done me good. Oh, dude, nobody, nothing. That's awesome. Appreciate that. I've never heard of Waters Above. I will have to check that out. I saw your title and jumped in XRP and I was like, I missed something. Why lie? I'm not lying. I think it's I think it's this is it. This is it. I think it's right there, dude. Uh, I had 25 from trading in with an investment. Lost all my cumulative profits now. $6. Hey, dude, at least you're still up $6. Can't be disappointed about that. Need H bar to start ripping. Also, yeah, it'll come back around, dude. I think, like I said, they're always going to fall back. The nice thing about H bar is that H bars continually climb back up to its position. So this was down to this was ranked 20, literally less than like maybe 8 hours ago. It was at 20. Like hype was over, Leo was over at Ton, Litecoin. All it was like I was like, shit, dude, it's losing so much steam, and it's already come back and it's now back into the 16 rank. Hopefully here today it probably jumps over. I hope it jumps back over SHIB and it's right back up, button up against Stellar again. That's kind of my goal for the day with H bar. So, what's up, the other Nomad? Good to see you, buddy. Austin's the truth. Over 3K watching, less than 800 thumbs up. Oh, dude, appreciate that. Yeah, hit the like button for me. Let's get to 1,000. Common sense is uncommon. Yeah, that's my dad always says anymore, dude. Common sense ain't so common these days. And I always get a kick out of that one. I've kind of started to say it too. I'm like, that's when you know that commercial. It's like I can't remember. I think it's like an insurance commercial where they're like, don't be less like your parents. And it's like, remember the guys like telling them not to do things that like their parents do and stuff like that. I catch myself doing that shit all the time, dude. Especially when it comes to like sayings, like common ain't so common these days. And I'll catch myself saying to my kids, and I'm like, dude, you sound just like your dad. Austin, bro, acknowledge me. What's up? I did. I do. I acknowledge. I try to acknowledge everyone here. Austin lost 10K XRP, have 10K XRP left. Maybe make me feel happier. You lost 10K XRP. How did you lose 10K XRP? I'll try to make you feel better, dude. Have you seen the AI search? I am not touching DeepSeek, dude. There's no way I'm going to touch DeepSeek. I like that commercial. Yeah, those are funny, man. All right, dude. When it's all said and done, Digi, I'll make sure I include you in my will. Okay. What is a progressive? That is okay. The progressive channel. That's what it is. You sold at the 173 dip, bro. No. I'm sorry, dude. That's tough, dude. Yeah, those are the days that you buy. If you didn't, yeah, those are the days that you buy. Sound a little better today. Glad to see you, man. Oh yeah, Dennis. I feel better today for sure. When Austin says my name, I tell my wife, Moto 18. You guys are funny, man. You funny. Yeah, 808. Yeah, it's nice to appreciate everyone in here watching. We continue to rally up here. Like I said, liquidation right now are showing that that 281's our marker, dude. Market 281. 281's the marker. You can still see it's hovering right there. It's getting slowly liquidated. It was 64 million. Now it's 22 million. So it's slowly starting to dwindle, dude. That's what we need. We need that to slowly dwindle away. And you can see there's not much past it. Not much past it, dude. Not much. There will eventually be some big ones coming up here. Probably it's probably going to be $3 range. It's going to probably be the next 280, 287 is our big wall, dude. That's probably our biggest one to get through. 287. And then right at $3, dude. Like I said, there's not a lot, but we'll see. We're slowly creeping back up to this 281 again, man. 280, 281. Hell yeah. Let's get it, dude. Let's get it. My husband just asked me what happened to our savings. It's all in XRP. People using XCN as a cash cow and taking profits any chance they can get. It can't get a leg up. Oh, is it getting pretty beat up right now? Just because you said that, I'll see if I can find it. Where is XCN? Oh yeah, XCN's well, I mean, this thing rallied like none other, dude. It's definitely in the red right now. That's for sure. Just be careful out there. Be careful. I mean, that thing rallied for a long, long time, dude. I like the old Geico commercials. I know. I do too, crypto AI. Bro, I thought trading is easy, but it's not. Trading, it can be easy if you have patience, for sure. So obvious, even a caveman could tell. Yeah, I know, right? The caveman things were awesome. Austin, what AI saying about XRP price? Oh, right here, DeepSeek. They're saying DeepSeek AI, the XRP could trade around 315 to 350 by March 2025. So they're saying by March 20. So we're talking to basically what is that? 14 days. 14 days, which would be March 1st, would put us around 315 to 350. Um, Especially if it clears the 272 resistance marker, which it just did. Right now we're hovering around 281. So we'll see if this can actually continues up, which is a 65% probability, which is actually a pretty good probability. 65% probability is actually really good. But again, this is just a deep seek calculator here. It says, however, if regulatory setbacks, and there's no regulatory setbacks, SEC delays or ETF rejections, which I don't think they're going to be. We just saw that come through. It's saying get down to 250 to 225. I don't see that happening, but it says if these things do get approved, there's a chance that we can get anywhere from 450 to $5. And so I joked around earlier and I said, damn, DeepSeek's been following my thing, because what have I been saying for a long time now, months. 450 is the marker. Anywhere from 380 to 450 for Q1 is the area we want to be in. And so I'm like, damn, DeepSeek following my stuff, dude. DeepSeek man, why does China always got to be stealing people's stuff? Why do they got to be stealing my numbers? Just kidding. I'm not the only one saying it, dude. These numbers, when you start to do the math and you start to see where these numbers go, I'm not the only one doing the same math here. So, my question: why lie? Your channel is, and you still lie. You don't need to lie. I am being honest. 2392 Hemi. I am being honest, dude. I'm telling you exactly what my honest opinion is. I think that the SEC case is over, dude. I'm telling you that straight up right now, man. I'm telling you what it is. I don't need an article to tell me. I don't need the SEC to come out and tell me that they're done pursuing XRP and Ripple. Like, the writing's on the wall. The writing's out there. They're already showing us this. So that's not a lie. It's me honestly telling you my personal opinion. I truly am. And that's me just being 100% honest with you. Like, I usually am not that bold, but I mean, I'm not the only one reading this stuff, dude. The case is over, dude. Ike, the USAID needs to funnel money through XRP. USAID ain't they're no longer, bro. They don't have any more funding to do that. I appreciate your $2. Good to see you, bud. The key is to hold. I have sold my XRP, but I have sold others to put into XRP. Yeah, I mean, if XRP is your number one thing, you're gonna continually accumulate. I want to tell my girlfriend, but every time I tell her, it's gonna keep falling. It falls again. All right, bro. I appreciate you being here, dude. There was no lie. You can have an opinion, dude. Trust me. We can all have our opinions. It doesn't mean we're lying. I didn't say I'm telling you my personal opinion, but it's okay, dude. I appreciate you being here. Appreciate your input. But I hope you have a good day. I love your titles. I appreciate he's transparent at the beginning. I tried to be, but it's okay. Dude, people get a little upset. And 2 weeks from now, when the SEC case drops, he'll come back and we'll all be good. So you don't need to defend it against anyone. I know. It's part of the game. You have ask DeepSeek if Ripple won. I'm not asking DeepSeek anything, dude. DeepSeek is crazy, yo. 281, dude. Here we go. 281. Here we go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. 281. Let's see if we can hold above this 281 and continue to rally above. 701 is my number, bro. Yep, 701 in this bull is my number. Where's the official proof the XRP case is over? You want the official proof? Right here. There you go. And right here, right here, right here, and more to come. More to come. More to come will tell us that. Why would just ask yourself, why would the SEC go through and acknowledge these filings if they weren't going to pursue this anymore? They wouldn't, dude. That's counterproductive. It's counterproductive, dude. I got a new subscription for my army. Hell yeah, dude. Austin, when you take profits, what percentage of your bag do you usually aim to sell? On a swing trade, Calvin? On a swing trade, I'd sell my whole bag. If you're talking like during like my long-term bag holding, then I probably, like I said, it's all depends on how high it goes, right? 702 is my number. Regina. I love it. That's awesome. Uh, yeah, I sell my whole bag on a swing trade. I'll sell my whole bag. But on a long term bag, I mean, it's like you're trying to see how much it goes up. I mean, if it goes up, let's just say it goes up 1,000%. You have to judge as to like how much out of that do you need to sell to like live the lifestyle you want to live without selling it all. Is that 50% of your bag? Is it 60% of your bag? Is it 80% of your bag? I don't know. Is it 100% of your bag? You got to make that determination. I mean, for me, hopefully I'm like, I'm sitting around 50-60% of my bag I'll probably sell. And then again, because I don't think that a lot of that I'm going to hold. There's a lot that I don't think that we'll ever get the 30-cent mark again for XRP. Like that's not happening. At least I don't feel it's going to happen. You get these ETFs coming out here, it is definitely not dropping back to 30 cents. ETF happens, you'll never see the numbers we saw in 2021 or in 2022 bear market. You'll never see those numbers again, dude. Like we'll never see a 20K Bitcoin again, ever, dude. That's long gone. Gone. 750 ETH, gone. Never going to happen again, dude. You'll never see that number again. And that's why I don't know if I ever want to sell those positions right now, right? Maybe in like 20, 30 years, I'll sell those positions. But yeah, I don't think we'll ever see another 30-cent XRP. It's not going to happen, dude. Especially if they get approved, not going to happen. We'll never see a $14 to $20 Solana again if it gets approved as an ETF. It's not going to happen. Because you got to think these funds are also protective of their clients too. They're not going to let their funds just fall out. They're not going to let the funds just completely collapse. It's not going to happen, dude. Trust me. The SEC won't even want that to happen. The SEC's putting their name on this stuff, dude. The SEC's putting their name on these products to and what are they about? Keeping the consumer safe. Are you going to really put your name on something and then let it fall out? Nope. You're not going to do that, dude. It's not going to happen. Like, just think logically about that. You're putting your money in some of the most secure stuff that there is right now, up and coming. Like, you're literally tapping into history right now on like new companies becoming ETFs that like we don't really, like, it doesn't really happen like that. And here we have it like right in front of us for the taking. And you still have people out here who are like super bearish and it's like, man, dude, you guys are like, it's the same people that were super bearish about the internet. And they look back going, damn, dude, I could have bought all those websites and sold them. Yeah. I'm greedy, but I want to stay below 3 until Monday. We'll see, man. We'll see. It's a good fight right now over 281. This 281's we'll see if this is some good resistance right here. 281 is the resistance line. And you can definitely see that based off of the liquidation map. So the liquidation map's pretty strong. Yep, 281 still strong right there. 281. So we're bouncing back and forth between that right now. I think you're spot on with your thumbnail. Appreciate that, Paradise. We're all here to have opinions, right? I mean, I don't need that's why we're all here just to create opinions. And, I think when I form an opinion, I feel pretty strong with my opinion. I'm not very, I'm usually pretty open to things, but I think, like I said, I think a lot of us can really look at this and know what the writing has said. I don't think, like I said, I don't think the SEC needs to tell us anymore. I think we all kind of just know now. They deleted it from their website. Yeah, I would agree. Take profits when it's $10. You can do that too. Ghost, thanks so much for the gifting 5 memberships to the A team. If Ghost gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Ghost. And those 5 new members, welcome to the A team. Appreciate each and every one of you. Yeah, appreciate that a ton, dude. Thanks so much for all the donations to the channel to Swing me a membership. The train has left the station, Austin. Austin, why you lie about your opinions? I love you, Code. I love you, Code. Why are you lying about your opinions? I don't know, because I think we all just I think we formulate opinions. I think it's good for discourse. Your voice is 95% back. It is. There's a tad bit of my voice gone, just a little bit, for sure. For sure, the voice is just gone just a little bit. But we haven't talked about Stellar. Stellar's actually looking pretty decent, held strong a little bit. I don't know who's all in Stellar right now, but Stellar's starting to look pretty decent here. Starting to build back out. Hopefully, we get a nice little cup and handle right now. You can see this on the 4 hour here. A nice little cup and handle. Even on the 12 hour, we're forming these cup and handles here. I didn't even think about the cups that we're creating right here. It'd be nice if we come up here, we create this nice little cup, and then we get it back up here to like 315 marker, and then we create this little handle. We come down, we probably sell back into the 3 marker, and then boom, we're up here in March 8th, 10th, 10, 11, 12, somewhere in that ballpark, and we're just rallying up here to 385, 450. That's kind of where we're gonna go. Holy shit, 60 more likes and I'm gonna cry. Are we 60 likes away from 1,000? Oh yeah, dude, hit that like button. Appreciate you guys, man, for almost getting me to 1,000 likes. I don't think I haven't had 1,000 likes in quite some time. So I appreciate everyone being here doing that. If you can hold through the dips of the bear, then you don't deserve it, honestly. Yeah, the dips, if you can't hold through it, the dips are hard, dude. I tell everyone, if you're new to crypto, man, wait till you get to the bear market, dude. That's where a lot of people get angry. A lot of people get upset. A lot of people, there's a lot more animosity in the markets. You think Hemi was pissed off at me for writing that title. Just wait till you see everyone else. The Versatile, thanks so much for the $2. What do you think highest it will go end of year? I'm 701. 701 is my number, where I think anything over 701, I'm probably one of the happiest men on earth at 701. I mean, obviously I want more than that, but I think 701 is kind of like that is like my indicator, bro. 701, dude. Yeah. The approval of the ETF XRP would likely be a reflection of the market demand and the SEC changing stance on the crypto asset, but it doesn't automatically equate to the SEC withdrawing its legal case. I just don't see the why would you continue to I guess the question is, why would you continue to just pursue it then? What would be the reason behind it? I mean, make them pay fees. Yeah, pay the fees. Pay the fees, move on, right? If that's what it's about, pay the XRP will pay the fees and probably move on. They already won. The Ripple already won. The SEC is the one that's in appeal right now. The SEC is trying to appeal that ruling. Go back and look, dude. The SEC, Torres ruled, and then the SEC came in and appealed, and that's what's happening right now. They're going through an appeal. I just don't see it happening, dude. I just don't. I mean, I just see them moving on, dude. To each our own, right? We have our own opinions. To formulate your own opinions. Don't just take anyone's opinion for gospel. This is just my personal opinion. I think that a lot of us, I think the writings on the, we don't need the SEC to tell us what they're actually implying. Anybody have any thoughts on Stargate? I don't even know what that is, Mark. People stop picking on the least clickbaity channel on YouTube. They can pick on it. It's okay. It's good discourse. But I appreciate you. Bro called the pump to the day 2 weeks in advance. He definitely has credibility. It was pretty wild that actually hit, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I will admit that this made me smile. Look at that, dude. We caught that to a T. To a T. Look at that. It came down to exactly the day. I will agree with you. That came down to the day. I was not expecting. Again, you put these numbers out here. You try to catch it, right? And yeah, I mean, right here into the 13th. Boom. That's a perfect stance right there. I will say, dude, and I'm super happy that it did. I'm just super happy it did it. You know what I mean? Who cares about the call? Yeah, I get the call's great, and I'm pumped that the call happened. But I'm just happy that it actually did it, because that means that we're all in the green, dude. That's what it really meant. It just meant that we're all like literally sitting here in the green, like super pumped. And look at us today. We're all super pumped up right now. Woke up to Oz to see XRP. Yeah, Trimble is 100%, dude. Christian, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A-Team. If Christian gets you to do a membership, please say thank you. And yeah, to those 5 new members, welcome to the A-Team. Appreciate each and every one of you. Brother, I'm new to your channel. I have a huge bag of XRP, nice content. Oh, dude, that's awesome, man. And yeah, a lot of us here have a lot of money invested in XRP. Been holding it for a long time, dude. So welcome, man. Welcome. Loving Austin's opinions. They rock. I feel like I should be a lifetime member, Austin. Are you not a lifetime member? Some people just want to be handheld, never reading the tea leaves and stand alone. That's actually good. I kind of like what you're saying there. You're right. There, and again, I try. I want to accommodate those people too. You know what I mean? Because sometimes people there's just yeah, it's just different. But yeah, I agree. Versatile, thanks so much again for the donation, dude, bro. I sent this dude money. He's ignoring me. What are you talking about, dude? I just said you like I just said what's up. In my opinion, all due respect, cryptocurrency is never supposed to the government banks or banker institutions. This is peer to peer. Yeah, you're right. It's just this was never meant for institutions, right? Never meant for institutions to jump in. 100%. Mama AA, Mama AA just tuned in. Ripple won lawsuit. No, I'm telling people that the writing's on the wall with the lawsuit. Do we get 101 likes, dude? Thank you guys so much. If we got to 101 likes, you guys are freaking awesome, dude. I gotta look to see if we did. That's badass, dude. Appreciate you guys, dude. We got to yeah, 1.2K likes. Wow, dude. Thank you guys so much. That made my day. Made my day. 1.2K likes. You guys are killing it. Absolutely killing it. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Awesome. When the bears come, I don't run. I just stop looking. That's a good way. Yeah. Austin bullish opinion only. You see the bull market lasting a few years. We could have a super cycle. I've been talking about super cycle for a while now. Super cycle is not outside the realm of possibility. I hope we have a super cycle, to be honest. That'd be fantastic. Munish, thanks so much for the donation to the channel. Hey, buddy, new here and first time to watch your live. What do you think about holding XRP in the long term, and how long do we hold for? Well, I've been holding XRP for 3 years. Since 30 cents, and I've accumulated, and yeah, I think holding long term is super important for people, especially if you're new to crypto. Just find areas to enter into these, again, and accumulate. I think it's important as a new investor in crypto is to just accumulate. A lot of people jump in and they try to swing trade right away, and they miss out on a lot of opportunities. I think the biggest thing is just find entry points to accumulate. And this accumulation period, you can see right here. Look at this phase between 45 and about 235. Look at this area of accumulation right through here has been great. It's a very strong area of accumulation. So I hope people were actually accumulating at this area, knowing that that was a really good area of accumulation, because this continues to rise up. This will always look back at this 235, 245 to 235 and go, wow, dude, that was actually a really good area to buy in on this opportunity. So yeah, I mean, that's kind of the area that you could see right here. And yeah, accumulate is your biggest thing as a new investor. That's my 701 is that's the bottom of my of where I hope that's where my bottom is, dude. Haters will not talk the truth. Yeah, congrats. Thanks, Eagles. That's the best thing I heard. Stop lying about opinions. Hang on, let me check the like and hit the thing. Appreciate you. I started my journey clearly on leverage possibility. Their fees are high. Yeah, dude, I would not exchange. I would not buy anywhere where fees are high. 100% would bounce out of that. I just think 701 is kind of like where I put my number. I mean, I've done my math on it, and I think 701 is kind of like where I think I've always stayed with where I think it's going to be. 701, to 839 is kind of like my area. Was that my Oh, here. Is this maybe it where I did it? No, it had been this one. I guess I took away my math on it, but yeah, that's kind of where I was at. Is anywhere in this ballpark. So yeah, if it gets anywhere in between there, I'll be super excited. Dropped all YouTube channels with this and crypto clause. Oh, sloth. All right. Austin's the most chill and mellow crypto guy on YouTube. I appreciate that. I try to stay mellow. I get a little worked up a little bit, right? Every once in a blue moon, you get a little hype. I think action says more than words, so I believe the lawsuit most sure is over. Yeah, yeah. Austin is an opinion advisor, not a financial advisor. I like that. I'm an opinion advisor. I like that one. That's a good one. Guys, I want to say I'm an opinion advisor, not a financial advisor. It's actually pretty funny. Everyone getting excited, but it'll probably drop. Yeah, we got to get over this 281. 281 is our marker right now. We get past this 281, I think we're on for the races. So we're gonna have to continue to monitor the 281 marker. We have our next 4 hour coming up here. 4 hours looking pretty good. It's actually done pretty good for the 4 hour. So we'll have another 4 hour coming up here in about 15 minutes. Appreciate you have always, let's see, you are new or doubting the case being over. Just appreciate you. Appreciate you have a way to know early. Yeah, I think we're in super early. Yeah, Ricky, no problem, man. Are you waiting for Paul Atkins to say it's over? I don't think Paul Atkins needs to say that's over, dude. I think that, I mean, it would be nice if he came in and said it, but we'll see what happens. Thoughts on Ada? I mean, Ada's done well, dude. I got to give kudos to Ada. Ada's held strong, right? It's done well. Look at the buy zones that it was in. We were just talking about this the other day. Buy zones in on Sunday where it came up, boom, and now we're in this area. This is now a sell. This is actually technically we're starting to enter into a sell territory based off where this was at. But the good thing is now we can actually start building out a retrace. We can actually start building a retracement out or a fib retracement now that this is where this is at. So yeah, now we probably found the bottom here. I mean, you could probably, if you want to cheat, you could probably pull out the fractals here and tell you where it's at. So you have a fractal right here. So now this is the bottom. Now you got to wait. We got to wait to find a top on this next one before we flip this chart around. So yeah, kind of cool. We'll sort of, now that we're building back out of these things, it makes it a lot easier to find our retracements and get back into our normal day trading that we'd get into here. But this is looking really good. Fake case, stay away from Ashton Kutcher, spilled the beans. Please don't. Oh yeah, I try not to actually. I try not to say. I try not to cuss as much as I possibly can. So I do apologize if I do drop a few things. It's unintentional. But I appreciate that. What size bag do you recommend in XRP right now? It's tough to say, Divine. It honestly is. It's really tough to say. How much you should have. I think you should just start accumulating. That's really what it comes down to. If you FOMO, remember that feeling and mindset you were in, you did, and recognize the feeling next time and check yourself. 100%, Brian. Benji, what's up, man? Yo, I spent all my savings on XRP at 220. I own. That's good though. 220. You're sitting up pretty good right now. Lost a small fortune in cash, but already back. Good, dude. What on lifetime membership for Digital Orgy? Digital out here trying to. What are the shorts at? We can take a look right now. Let's refresh this guy. Inca, dude, thanks so much for gifting 20 memberships to the A-Team. Wow, dude. Inca, appreciate you a ton, man. If Inca gifted you a membership, please say thank you. And those 20 new members, welcome to the A-Team. And remember, anyone that got gifted something can actually go join the Discord. So yeah, appreciate that a ton, man. And all the new members that are coming in today. There was a lot. Yeah, you can see this liquidation is still growing. Even behind it now is getting a little bit bigger. 25 million at 20 281.7 is at 25 million and 20 million. So yeah, it's going to be 280. Getting through 281 is going to be hard, dude. 280 to 281 is going to be that's going to be a tough battle right there. But look at these other shorts that have just come in. Look at these other ones that just start filling up. These shorts are getting stronger. Look at that, 59 million here, 54 million. Yeah, they're starting to get stronger and stronger and stronger the further we go back. So it's starting to fill. The shorts are starting to fill up again. So this could be a nice little. This could be a rough road. Or I mean, we could probably stall out a little bit here. After we break 280 resistance, what's our next big resistance? I think it's 290. It's a 290 right here. Right here's our probably next. We're going 28. Let's actually zoom back a little bit. Yeah, you're talking, you know, 285 is a big one right here. And then yeah, 280, 285 probably through 290 is probably your biggest one. We get through that level. I mean, we probably on for the races, dude. Cryptocurrency going to change the world. Remember that when gets difficult. Yeah, cryptocurrencies have already, a lot of cryptos changed the world already. So I would agree with you. 100% cloudy days. That's I guess that's what I'm trying to tell everyone. I guess that's really the message, is what you just said. I don't know if I made that clear, but that's kind of what the message is. These memberships keep on passing me up. Yeah, you probably got to turn your gifting on if you haven't got your. I think there's a way to do it. People are saying, "I'm screwed. Thanks so much for the $2, dude. Is XRP going to make people rich by March, April?" I mean, it's already made a lot of people rich, but yeah, it could continue to do well and make people money for sure. Always has safe predictions. I do. This is probably the most bold prediction I have, is that the SEC case is over. Um, some inspirational quotes. The future of finance is crypto, weather, and payments. Yeah, good old CZ, man. Good old CZ out there holding it down. How many tokens do you have of XRP, Austin? Zero. 'Cause it's not a token; it's a coin. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Austin, SEC acknowledges filing for 21 share spot users. Can you take a look into it? Yeah, we were just looking at that, Harry's right here. It's huge. It's big, man. That's big. That's big news right there. That's awesome. Like, super cool to hear that. That's wild, dude. Gosh damn. How does she do that? Congresswoman Nancy Pelosi purchased Tempest AI call option last month. The stock is up 183 since her purchase. How? How? She is the best stock trader in the world, dude. It's insane. How? How is that possible, dude? I mean, I know how it's possible. I'm just saying, how are we still allowing it to happen? I just don't get, why are we allowing that to even happen? That just blows my mind, dude. If that was anyone else, dude, they'd be in jail. Versatile, sorry, I didn't know that delay. Yeah, there's a slow delay, bro. And I try to catch as many possible statement, comments as possible. So there is a little. I'm like 8 minutes behind right now. 701 or 701, $7.01 is where I'm at, dude. And I do appreciate the donation, man. Austin titles be like how I can piss off Bitcoin maxis. True, true. And again, the Versad, thanks so much for the donation. Darius Coleman, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Moon Lambo says XRP could hit 15 and $20. Your thoughts? I think eventually, definitely, probably could. I don't think there's anything holding it out there from being able to do that. Again, it's got to get through some certain levels first, but I mean, we start to get up to the $7 to $10 range. I mean, I definitely think it could be a viable option for sure. I mean, you go back and just look. I mean, that's not that far away if you go back and look at the market calculator on that. I mean, we play this game all the time right here, but I mean, you want to get back to, let's just say it gets to $15. I mean, that's roughly a 5x right now, and it puts about a market cap of about 186 billion-dollar market cap. So, that's a pretty big market cap, but it ETH is up there. A lot of these things are up there. So yeah, I think it could be out there depending on how big this gets. Anthony, opinion advisor coming soon. I'm trying for 2 chicken sandwiches. All right. Alan, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Do you think price will drop back down to $2? Um, yeah, I'll never say never. I mean, we've had some pretty wild dropouts. This was unexpected liquidation event right here. You can't even plan for that liquidation event unless you're a whale. This event right here. That's a crazy liquidation event. So we got 5 minutes before the 4 hour turns over. Um, I mean, dude, I hope not. No, I hope not. I hope it does. I hope we continue to rise up. Can it hit $2? I hope it doesn't even hit $2 in the bear market, bro. So I don't know. We'll have to see how it happens. I hope not, but I just want to be. I'm just trying to be, I guess, more bullish than bearish. Crow Exchange got XRP at 285. How does it do that? That's a good question. They're going to get. I guarantee you, some of these like it just opens the door for just for arbitrage. I don't know how they do it, dude. That's crazy. Thanks so much for the $2 Darius, but that is wild. I didn't realize that crypto.com has it at 285. I call girls bro too. Yeah, I call everyone dude and bro. I'm sorry. Don't take it personal. Austin, if you spell it with instead of then it's fair game. Anthony. Do you get kicked out of membership when Discords expire? Yeah, you do, because that's what you need to get in there. So you get kicked out, and you just have to basically renew, and you'll be able to enter right back in. I like your channel down to support. I just wish you would break down some of your terminology for the new people in the space. We're trying to learn what it's like listening to foreign language. What words am um I guess I don't know what words I'm using. That's the hard part, is that sometimes it just becomes second language. So it's hard because yeah, you're right. It is hard in this space. Sometimes it is like foreign language. I guess I could try to break. I'd have to know the examples to be able to help you. So help me out. Maybe this channel is too advanced for us new people. No, it's not. It's not. This is easy. Hey Austin, what would be the next position to buy ADA? It's a good question. Let's take a look at it. Can you still buy the Pure Wall token? Yeah, you can. Pure Wall token's for sale right now, dude. It's still for sale. I think the new one just comes over. PureWall.ai. If you guys, again, if you're interested in the pre-sale looks like 21 hours before the new time comes up. So yeah, this did start at 4 cents. Now it's at 4 or 5. So you're already in the profit if you got it at 4 cents. This will continue to rile. This will continue to go up in price. I don't know how long it's going to go out there for, but it's going to continue to go up in price. Eventually, probably 5, 6, 7, 8 cents. I don't know. But yeah, this pre-sale's out there. If you're new to crypto, pre-sales are always pretty easy to jump into, especially if you believe in a project. And so yeah, this is still out there. 21 hours, the new price will come out. So yeah, kind of a fun one if you never got into a pre-sale. Yeah, always nice to get your toes wet. What are you using to see the longs and the shorts? Oh, just CoinGlass. Go to coinglass.com, and then just go to liquidations, and then you can see all the stuff over there. So yeah, CoinGlass is a pretty legit place. Hey man, I'm really trying to understand more. Wallets are opening all the time, but circulating supply doesn't change from 757 billion. Yeah, because they're talking about allocating money to the institutions with that money. F Joe. On this move, where do you think we will get rejected? I think we're getting rejected right now. Here we go. We got 2 minutes before the next 4 hour. We're getting definitely rejected right now at this 81. Right, we know that this is going to be a hard level to get through at this 281. So sorry, I'm going to scroll down just a little bit, guys. If I missed your comments, I'm so sorry about that. I'm going to try to catch up to the chat here. Austin CDC has it listed lower when you sell through. Oh, really? Can you talk a little bit about the Pure Wall? Do people want me to talk about? Do people want me to talk about the pre-sale, the Pure Wall pre-sale, or is there people out there that want to hear about it? Immerse yourself in a world, and you will learn this language. Yeah, you got to spend some time. Here. Come here every day, man. You'll eventually start picking things up. A team's awesome. Everyone's always here, willing to help and ask. If I'm not here to answer or if I don't see your question right away, got a lot of people here who ask the questions or answer the questions for you. So, yeah. Everyone's here willing to help, dude. Everyone at one point, everyone started at crypto as a beginner. So, yeah, Trump is pumping. Is it pumping? Yeah, that's cool. That's good. So here we got the new 4 hour just started. So we'll see if we continue the trend. Look at the little trend right here. We got green, red, green, red, green. I guess we could assume this is going to be red. We're going to fill up this little fair value gap right here. I'd be okay with that. We fill up this little fair value gap here and then blow up. Anyone new, become a member, come into Discord, and all the A team in Austin is there. Yeah, I would agree, man. That's helped out a lot of new people for sure. Where's Pure Token be traded? They haven't announced it yet. I would assume probably. I mean, I would assume it's probably Ethereum if I had to guess, just because it's on Ethereum right now. You need Ethereum to trade it or to bind to the pre-sale. I mean, I think the part that's nice about pre-sales is that you don't got to go chase down the token when it launches, right? And if the token does well, you've already got in. You don't have to go worry about it on launch day and stuff like that. A lot of people are waiting for it to launch, and then they see the price and they either jump in or whatever it might be. So, pre-sales are kind of just put you at ease of being able to jump in at a decent price. How do you get in the pre-sale? You gotta have a non-custodial wallet, so like a MetaMask, and then you gotta have you gotta get like a wallet, and then move Ethereum over to a wallet, and then connect your wallet. Is Pure Wallet as best same as Best Wallet? No, dude. Pure Wallet is like Best Wallet has nothing on Pure Wallet, dude. Best Wallet is just like another non-custodial wallet out there. Just they'll be competing with like SafePal and MetaMask, and that's a hard competition. Pure Wallet is the first ISO blockchain phone or wallet that you can actually have a cold storage on your phone, and it's an offline token, so you can move your money in an offline setting, which allows you not to be tracked, and then it allows it to be super fast and zero gas fees. So it's completely different. And there's no other wallet out there. No other wallet. MetaMask, SafePal, any other wallet out there that has cold storage on your phone. So Pure Wallet's the first one. So you won't have to carry around extra hardware. Like, if you got into a cold storage like Ledger, you wouldn't have to worry about that. You could just have it all on your phone. The majority of us do our stuff through our phone anyways. So that's why it's ideal. And if you're a decentralized maxi like myself, decentralized meaning that you like everything on the decentralized side versus centralized side, being able to move money through an offline setting is super fast and convenient, and it carries no gas fees, and people can't track your stuff, right? Decentralization is about privacy, and dude, we're starting to climb now. We're starting to climb up right now. Here we go, 280. You can see the chart. You can see the numbers starting to climb fast. And so that's kind of stuff I dig, right? So if you like decentralization, it's super cool. Use a smartphone to make you smart. Where can you get the pre-sale? Here, I'll put the link. You can go to purewallet.ai. I'll put the link in the description box here, and you guys can then check it out if you'd like. I'll actually pin it to the top. Yeah, you can. I'll pin it to the top up here, and then you guys can check it out if you'd like. And you can check out the whole thing with the wallets and everything that they do. It's the cold storage, everything on there. Offline, it's the first ISO certified blockchain wallet. There's nothing else out there like this. And I just went through the updates yesterday. I was on the call with the team yesterday, and some of the updates that are coming out I'm pretty pumped about. So to the person asking about breaking down the terminology, just keep watching and learning in Google. Yeah, it'll help big time. Yeah, there's a lot of terminology out there. Change my investment. Best channel. Change my investment. Life. Did it, Shannon? I just appreciate Shannon being here. Yeah. Pure Wallet for the win. Hell yeah, dude. Shannon, thanks so much for the donation, man. Always coming in strong with that $10 super sticker. Appreciate you, buddy. And as you guys don't know, Shannon is the longest held A-team member on the channel. He's been holding it. I always go back. I always say this, dude, but it's kind of crazy when you go back and you look at like how long you guys have all been here, but Shannon for some reason holds that number one spot. Kind of crazy. That means he was like probably one of the first to like really become a member of it. So that's kind of crazy when you think about it. Yeah, he's up there. There's three up there or two. There's three up there. Actually, there's a handful of you guys up there that actually have this, but Shannon's up there right now. Supwa and Shannon are like number one for that, and a couple of them are like a couple weeks away. The wallet just holds the amount of tokens, not the value. Yeah, it just holds the tokens. Is Tangem decentralized? Yeah, Yeah, anything that's not on a centralized exchange is decentralized. The whole goal is to get it off a centralized exchange and be the custodian of your crypto. Be the holder of your finances. You know what I mean? So, is the Pure Wallet token blocked after purchase or released to your wallet? It's not released until they launch, JK. So you'll be able to see it if you purchase it. You'll be able to see it right here. So like if I connect my wallet right now, let's just I don't even know what wallet is connected right now. Let me see what wallet is connected. You'll see your balance in here, and you'll be able to see it all. Yeah, I gotta connect the other one, but yeah, you'll see your balance in there. That's what you'll see. I mean, yeah, I've been following the project for a long time. I've been following the project for a long time. NS Labs is a pretty big institution out in South Korea. They're the owners of it and the creator of the technology, and they are housed on the institute the Kumo Institute of Technology called KIT, which is equivalent to MIT here. It's called KIT out there, Kumo Institute of Technology, and NS Labs is housed on KIT, which is a big complex out there. And I went out there and stayed out there for a long time, and and I was on the my office was on the eighth story of the NS Lab building, dude. And yeah, it's a beautiful campus, and that's where they make all their tech out there. Right now, I use Ledger, dude. Right now, I use Ledger. Man, let's get above this 281. I kind of want to do it. I'm afraid to get off. I'm afraid to get off, and I'm gonna get off, and this thing is gonna it's gonna just rally above it, dude. I know software wallets are not as secure, but have to be better than leaving it on the exchange. Any recommendations on a software wallet? Yeah, SafePal is my number one go to right now, Nick. SafePal is like I like SafePal a lot. Oh, dude, Radler, man. It's just a form to. I'm just forming an opinion, dude. That's all it is, and that's all we're doing on YouTube is just forming our opinions, and I'm forming my opinion that with what the SEC's done, um, with the grayscale with this spot filing right here and its acknowledgement of it. You got the all the other ones coming out here. You got 21 Capital that came out and got approved today as well. Like I think the writing's on the wall. That's all I'm trying to say. The writing's on the wall. The case is over, dude. I don't know what else to say. That's kind of what it is. I signed up on Discord, attached Discord, but can't hear when people are talking on Discord. I realize that this is time. Yeah, we could talk about Dave Doozy. We could talk about it. Can't we take a look at longs and shorts? Yeah, I can pull that up for you, buddy. Let's refresh it here. Bro, I really sucked at crypto for some reason. This channel got me focused. I appreciate that, Shannon, dude. And hopefully it's paid off. Hopefully it's paid off to some degree. Yeah, this 280. Look at that leverage coming up. This is starting to pick up right here a little bit at this 281 marker still. Well, that's so we're starting to hover around this 281 again. We'll see if we can touch it. Austin live tonight? Maybe, yeah. Maybe we'll go live tonight. I'm feeling better, so yeah, could do it. I should have put 100x leverage on XRP. F Joe, member for 7 months. Did Ripple change their logo as a fresh start? Did they? They didn't. I don't know if they did. They actually change it? Oh, you're saying like the new logo? Did you buy Pure Wallet? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I think I have like I bought like $6,000 worth of tokens right now. I'll probably buy a little bit more because I believe in what the token's going to do. I want to be a part of the project. I've been a part of the project for a while, and I want to be a part of the actually like what the tokens represent. So that's why my PW balance is 17,006. Hell yeah, dude! You are a legend, man. I appreciate that, Patrick. Good to see you, man. According to the chart, what are we thinking today? I mean, I think we're gonna battle. I think this is our hurdle is 281. Just watch 281. That's our hurdle right now. What real world assets would you recommend? Dude, honestly, that's tough, man. There's so many real world assets out there. Mm. I mean, obviously it's important to own. I think land is probably a big one. Yeah, so what happened was, so it still works. I don't know if you can download. So what happened is, they have to they're filing for, so the logo's trademarked, and so they put the trademark in for the logo on the App Store, and in doing that, the App Store put it on pause for Google, um, to approve their trademarked logo. It's kind of a weird deal. I don't know why. I asked the same thing, like, why is this not showing up? And and they said because the trademarked logo, when they submitted the logo, they had to provide proof that it was trademarked, and since it's trademarked, they have to go through that. So yeah, Google is requiring them to do that. So that's what they're doing. Pure Wallet, where's the best place to download? I mean, I do mine on the on iOS. So got to say, I understand you were saying you think everything is pointing towards lawsuit being ended, but saying they won, I think they won, dude. They already won. You got to think they already won, dude. Let's not forget. Let's not forget. Let's actually go back. Where is it at here? Let's go back. For context, the Ripple lawsuit initially ended in August of 2024 following the final decision from Judge Torres, which included fines for Ripple's violations, which again is what we're fighting over, is the fines. And it said the SEC revived this case months down the road with an appeal. That's what we're going through right now. They're going through the appeal because they actually ended the law. They won their lawsuit. So they actually technically already won. It's just going through the appeal now. The SEC is appealing the win. So, I mean, if we want to be technical about it, I'm actually right. I'm just not going to say that that's what it is. But I mean, in all reality, the SEC's lost, dude. They're not going to win this, dude. They're moving forward. You're not going to see the SEC come out here and approve these things if they wanted to continue down the path of this appeal. It's not going to happen, dude. It's over with. I mean, like I said, stand back and just like think about it for a minute there, dude. They already won. Ripple already beat this, dude. They're on an appeal with the SEC, and they're going to pay some fines, and we're going to move forward. That's exactly what's going to happen. They're going to pay their fines, and they're going to move forward. It does not work on iOS. I thought it actually did. I have to ask them why it's not working on iOS. That's interesting. What people think the Ripple case? There's people that think that Ripple is actually losing the case. It's not. They're not going to lose. They already won, dude. Right here. For context, the Ripple lawsuit initially ended in August 24 following the final decision from Judge Short. Go read that. What was said out there? I mean, Ripple beat the SEC. Then they filed an appeal, and that's what they're going for the appeal right now. And then on top of that, you got all these people coming out here. So on Thursday, the SEC acknowledged that the New York Stock Exchange application to list Grayscale XRP got its first approval through the first approval process. On top of that, we just had Canary Capital, 21 shares come out and get their approval. And it said the reason why this is crazy is because it says right here, this move contrasts with the SEC's earlier stance on Solana, where it rejected applications for spot ETFs. The SEC will now review the applications, a process that could take up to 240 days. It said that argued that the previous SEC leadership could have dismissed the XRP ETF application, citing that that as recently as December, the agency denied a similar application for Solana. So again, if they're not going to move forward with this, if their argument is that they don't view XRP as a viable investment option, then they would not move forward with this review process. So to me, this is done, dude. I don't know what else to say, man. That's my opinion. I'm sticking to it, dude. Austin, 499, dude. Thanks so much for the donation, Martin. Austin, I finally back at the 280 DCA after holding and holding. You think we see a retracement before the 280? I mean, we could probably hit some resistance here for sure. I mean, you can see we could fall back to a 265. You know, this is a really good fair value gap here at the 265, which I was looking at earlier, which splits the difference between the takeoff and where we're at. You know, it could come back down here if we keep getting rejected at this 281 marker right here. You know, we could build out. It would be nice if we bust through this, and that's what I'm kind of hoping for. So thank you very much, Austin. Because of your last video during the drops, I felt it wasn't alone in my misery. Hope this time the Bulls, dude, Elven Disse, you're welcome. That is awesome. That's what we're here for, man. If they have lost us, they wouldn't be meeting with the president. That's how I feel too. Nick, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. I was terrified the first time I sent crypto. Yeah, it could be terrifying, dude. I just tried to download after after putting in my phrase code and was accepted. I got a page services unavailable. I'll have to see why. I wonder if they're going through something right now. I wonder if they're actually updating. I think they might be actually updating the sometimes when they're updating the mainnet, because you gotta think they're just now, what time is it there? Like 6 in the morning? They could be updating they could be updating. I knew that there's an update coming out here, a pretty big update coming. I saw it yesterday and I was pretty pumped with it. So yeah, that could be, I don't know. I'd have to see what's up. That's kind of weird though. I think they're all waiting for Paul Atkins is confirmed so he can dismiss the case. I think it's going to happen. Yeah. I like to just explain myself, you know what I mean? There's probably multiple times people click in here and yeah, I should probably be done explaining it, but yeah, I do. So when the SEC will announce that it's over, I I mean, I think that I feel like they were already kind of doing it. I've been at lunch, so I haven't listened back, but where do we is a good sell point on XRP? Well, right now I think the sell point's actually kind of hitting. Um, anytime you get back up to the 786, above the 786 here, you're almost there. Which would be right around the 291, 292 area would be the area where that would happen. So yeah, that's kind of something to at least consider or watch. Yeah, I mean that'd probably be the sell point. I think someone asked me about the liquidations, and I keep thinking I'm going to there, and then I don't see. I think the liquidations are still looking the same. Yeah, we're getting closer to this 280 right here. This is that's a big candle right there. But it's about roughly 12 million in liquidation, cumulative short liquidation, followed by 16 million, then followed by 22 million. So again, those are kind of our areas, and then we'll have a little bit of some hiccups going through here from the 280 all the way up to about 290. We have pretty good amounts of liquidations right here, but then after that, dude, it's going to be, like I said, it could be on for the races. Um, yeah, just make sure you go to the website. Just go to the website, like Pure Wallet, and just click on these links right here. Just actually go to the right one. Go to the right one, NS Labs, and then you can actually see it. So yeah, make sure you do that, and that's the best way to do it. How long are you going to go live? I don't know, dude. I just kind of been flowing right now. I feel like I've been restricted myself with the lives because I've been sick, dude. I've been so sick, and yeah, now it's kind of nice to be back here live, and so I've just kind of just gone with the flow of it, dude. I haven't even like thought about it. So we'll just continue to rock it out. Let's see. I gotta see if I can log into this one. How do I get out of this now? I don't know how to freaking. Gosh dang. All right. So yeah, that's kind of where it's at. 281, 280, 281. Dude, you sound so chill right now. I'm kind of chill right now. Fernando, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, 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 my friend. Thank you so much. Did you take anything extra for your sickness? Dude, not really. I kind of just drank a lot of water and just like waited it out. I was taking some meds, but then they were kind of making my stomach hurt. So I said, screw it. Sorry, can you explain the Pure Wallet deal? Yeah, Brandon. So it's just a pre-sale. So you can actually go in and you can buy the pre-sale right now. You need Ethereum, not wrapped Ethereum. And you go in here, you connect your wallet, and you can actually buy. You can actually buy at the market value, buy the market value where it's at right now. And the whole goal is when these tokens, when they launch, your tokens are going to be. These are the reasons why you hold the token. There's the benefits down here. So again, I linked the thing above. Just go up there and take a look at it, and you can read. Do your own research on this and what makes you excited. Again, this is the kind of stuff that excites me. Smart mining. That kind of stuff is cool. Also, again, the transaction speeds and then the governance side. Like I'm really big into the governance of it. So again, to each our own on where we're at with it. But the more tokens you hold, the more power you have when it comes to being able to leverage, the governance side of it. So, which wallet is the best wallet to use for pure wallet token? I like SafePal, dude. SafePal is kind of my favorite one right now. That's kind of one I've used so far. So, and the new update with the Pure Wallet's coming out, I think you're gonna be able to use you'll be able to buy the Pure you'll be able to buy the Pure Wallet token through Pure Wallet. So you'll be able to do the pre-sale through the wallet. So it's kind of cool through their DApp that they're putting out. Hey, I'm new to XRP. I'm all in on the future. Best channel yet. So real and to the point. Oh, 626 mobile detailing, dude. That's awesome, man. Appreciate you, dude, for being here. Yeah. And welcome anyone that's new. Welcome, man. Yeah, sounds like we got a pretty good amount of new people here jumping in, and I appreciate you guys being here. Try to keep it as real as possible. You know what I mean? What do you think? Floppy Pepe pre-sale now? Yeah, I probably wouldn't touch it, dude. I really tried to stick to utility, something that actually has use case, something that can actually build. A lot of not that I'm against memes. I just think that that's a lot of emotion versus like the actual use case behind something. So a little bit different. Go Eagles! Yeah, Eagles did well, man. Just kudos to Jalen Hurts for going through it, bro. Don't max out. So if you have ETH, let's just say that you have like, we'll just say that you have like 0.25 ETH or whatever you're buying. Don't max out the ETH. You got to be able to buy gas. You got to, because it's Ethereum, so you have to afford the gas. So like if you do like 0.225 ETH, and then it'll allow you to have gas to then go over and buy the rest. So that's the best way to do it. Don't account for gas fees. I guess what I'm trying to say. 626 well, appreciate that, man. I'm satisfied with my holdings. Okay. Me too. I'm satisfied with mine. Where can you find the order books? Just go to go onto an exchange, dude. And just go over onto exchange and then go over to a spot and you can see the order books. That worked. Awesome. I got you, man. I got you. 281. Here we go, guys. 281. Let's see if we can bump. Let's see if we can get above this 281, dude. Keep retesting it. Let's see if we can fight through this. Okay, fair enough. That would be Lido ETH. Yeah. Lido's good. When you say gas fees, what does that mean? So to go across, so just like XRP, when you go to move XRP, when you go to move like a meme coin across the blockchain, or you go to buy something, you got to use XRP as gas, and they require you to pay a fee, right? So there's for validators to validate the blocks, and so you pay those fees to those validators, and that's technically called gas. That's just the term. So you would have to account for that gas fee, and that's kind of what it is. Basically, if it's just a fee, dude, you got to account for the fee. They call it gas. Just account for the fee. You got to think every blockchain has a validator out there. So, can you explain how to read the RSI divergence indicator? Yeah, just really when the blue is above the red right here, you see blue and red. When it's above that, that means that it's over purchased on this 4 hour. So like right now, we can see that XRP is over purchased on this 4 hour chart. And so technically when things become over purchased, they start to trend back down towards this 80 marker right here. And right here is 80%, down here is 20%. You can see you try to match the trends of it. It doesn't mean that it necessarily always comes back down, but eventually it will come back down and touch back below the 20. And you kind of want that, right? You kind of want that resetting, creates areas of opportunity to buy back in on a price. So 4 hours obviously over purchased, 12 hour is over purchased and continually climbing, and the day chart's actually climbing right now. So this is actually really good for XRP right now to see that we just now passed the 50. Our goal is to get here back up here to the back above the 80. And last time we were back above the 80, we did really well. Look at this. We came back above the 80, then we came down, had a little dip, and then we went way back up here. So we want to get back above this area to be able to create another rally. And you can see we almost matched being under purchased at the same length, almost the same exact length. So, and thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Austin, do you even buy Pure Wall token? Yeah, dude. I think I'm like $6,000 in right now on it, dude, and I'll probably buy some more. I had to use my Tangent for Pure Wallet token because MetaMask could not work. Well, okay, yeah. Tangent, any wallet that you buy, it just gets dropped to the wallet in which you use. That's all. So yeah, any non-custodial wallet, you'll be good. Do you recommend staking? Well, the thing is so it depends on the staking, right? If it's like, hey, stake here and hold for a year, no, I don't believe in that. If it's auto staking, like you can move your money in and out of there freely, yeah, I believe in that. If it's staking for voting for, because again, if you're going to use it like, and when it comes to governance or DAO, you have to stake your tokens to be able to vote. So like, if there's a proposal out there and the proposal is out there for 21 days, you have to have your vote in by a certain period of time, and then those tokens are held for those certain period of time. So it could be like a 21-day hold on your token to make that vote happen, to make it fair for everyone. So like if it's a 21-day proposal and someone puts their tokens in there on the very first day, that means when the proposal is over, that next day their tokens will be up. However, if you wait till the very last day, then your tokens will be held for 21 days. And that's for voting processes and voting rights and things like that. And so that's a different story. But yeah, staking, from a governance standpoint, I think is a super cool thing. You have to do it that way. It's the only way to make it fair when it comes to voting on proposals. But staking overall, like I'm not a big fan of like just staking to try to get APY, especially if it's locked for a certain period of time. If you can auto stake it where you can grab it at any moment, yeah, I'm all on board with that. What's the news on the lawsuit? Lawsuit's done, in my opinion. Lawsuit's over, in my opinion. Hmm. Yeah, let's take a look at the shorts here. It's starting to slowly, probably starting to get eaten up now. Yeah, there we go, dude. Look at that. Look at that. Totally liquidated that whole candle right there. Damn. Now it's down to 6.47. So yeah, we're starting to come down now. Starting to come down now. um Tangent probably doesn't support Pure Token yet, but they support Ethereum. Yeah, so when the token launches, it'll eventually support it. So it's 5x. Yeah, I think 5k. I think 5k. Um, I think 5k XRP is good. Yeah. Time to hit the gym, Austin. Later, ATM. All right, buddy. Appreciate you, man. Hey, thanks so much for the donation. Uh, is it worth investing now? Do you think it'll go up? Well, I don't invest. I try to avoid green candles right here. I mean, our investment strategies were back here at 240, 245. That's kind of where this was. Um, so yeah, it's tough to say like right now that I would personally jump in. I probably personally wouldn't. Let's see here. Is Coinbase wrapped BTC safe? Uh, yeah, I don't see why it wouldn't be. I gotta help you out, Benjamin. By the way, I'm annoyed, y'all, with not being able to get into Discord. Yeah, read the rules. So yeah, read the rules, dude. So let me go to it real quick. So like here, Benjamin, just like go to where it says read the rules right here. To do so, read the rules, and then you come down to choose, and then you go in here and you hit whatever one you want, whatever category you want to get into. You hit the emojis that you want to be in, and then you'll be able to jump into those ones. So that's what you got to do. So that's the easiest way to do it. Is it legal to short on one and long on the other? No, it's not legal to do that at all. Yeah, so hopefully that helps you get in. That helps you get in. Is Tangem safe? A lot of people like Tangem. A lot of people do like Tangem, dude. 100% like Tangem. So lawsuit's over, bro. They're not pursuing it anymore, man. The reason why they're not pursuing it anymore, and the reason why I know is because of this right here. It's the last I'll explain it. You're not gonna go through and file for acknowledge these spot ETFs with Grayscale, um, and all these other and 21 shares and everyone else is going to come out here if you're going to continue down the path. If you guys don't remember, you got to think for context. The lawsuit initially ended right here. Let me zoom out. The lawsuit initially ended August 2024 with when she ruled in favor of this, right? And then they went through and they appealed it. They put on a notice of appeal, so it's in an appeal process. And now all these acknowledgments are coming through for this. They wouldn't be acknowledging these things if this case was going to continue to be pushed forward. They're going to do, all the SEC is going to try to do is just continue to collect those fees, and that's probably what's going to happen. They're just going to end up the Ripple is going to end up just paying their fees and moving on. There's no process here, dude. It's over. When you start approving these applications like this, when you start acknowledging these applications like this is already showing you the writing's on the wall for these things, dude. This is just my opinion. I'm forming my opinion on this, and I think I stand true by it, dude. The writing's on the wall. You don't need the SEC to come out here and tell you guys that this case is over. It's already over. It's already over, dude. It's over. They're showing their hand right here. No one would be messing if they thought there was still a lawsuit. New chair just wants to pop saying he dropped it. 100%. The switch has already flipped. Check the chart. February 12th. Yep. If the SEC, like I said right here, the previous SEC leadership would have dismissed the XRP ETF application. They would have already done it, dude, because of all the shit that they put through, but they didn't. They actually, now the new SEC has actually proved this, and the reason why is because they actually denied the Solana one before they left office. Remember, that was Gary Gensler's last thing, was to push back on the Solana application. So they would have done the exact same thing for the XRP one, but they didn't. They're pushing forward with it, so it means to me that this new SEC this case is over, dude. It's done. Let's chop it up. Doesn't need to be announced on their page to know what's happening here. It doesn't need to be announced on their page. Everyone already sees the writing on the wall, right? Get ahead of the curve, man. Don't have your head in the sand. Get ahead of the curve. It's over with, dude. I finally got what Awesome Austin is saying. It would be a waste of time for the SEC accepting ETF filings if they were to pursue the case against the SEC. It's probably the easiest way to say it, Charles. Or choices, habits. I said Charles. I had Charles in my choices, habits. Yeah, I mean that's really what it comes down to. Why are we going to continue to waste taxpayers' dollars over something that they just want them to pay fees on, right? That's literally what Judge Torres. That's literally what it came down to. They're not going to go against Judge Torres's ruling. They're not going to throw this case out now more than ever. They're not going to continue to push this case. I mean, she already ruled in favor of Ripple here, and which included Ripple's a couple violations that they had to pay, and Ripple was obviously going to pay them, but then the SEC came out here and appealed it, and that's kind of where it's at, dude. So yeah, the case is over, guys. It's over. So yeah, yes, there'll probably be even a bigger bump because people who were waiting for that announcement to buy in are going to wait for that announcement to buy in and be behind the 8 ball tenfold. That's okay, because some people obviously have to wait for that announcement, and because they have to wait for someone to tell them that this is what's happening, even though we all see what's happening. So you don't need the SEC. The SEC's telling us right now. It's literally telling us with this right now. Like, I don't know how else to make that clear. I guess that's really what I'm trying to say here. It's kind of crazy that it's just kind of crazy. It's obviously at this point that the new Trump administration, the SEC, and David Sachs are not going to speak about specific cryptocurrencies to influence sentiment in the market. Yeah, probably not. You're right. Shouldn't I be able to sell off top for profits without losing my coins? Well, I mean, if you're going to sell, you're going to lose your coins a little bit, right? If it wasn't for the lawsuit, I never would have been able to get in. Yeah, you'd be buying at a higher price, right? But all right, guys. With all that, I'm gonna hop off. I've been on here for almost what almost 2.5 hours. Damn, dude, over 2.5 hours. So this last little chart right here, this 281, we're seeing this come down here, which is matching the trend here, right? Green, red, green, red, green, red. Come down, fill up this little, hopefully this fair value gap right here, and be able to bounce back up. But we'll continue to monitor this 281. Maybe I will come on later tonight to stream this and talk more about it because we do want to continue to watch this. So yeah, make sure you guys hit that video or hit the like video, hit the thumbs up. Jeez, I couldn't even get that out of my mouth. Hit the thumbs up on this on their way out. Appreciate everyone being here, all the love, the donations, everything like that. You guys are amazing. And I just couldn't be more appreciative of the A team, dude. A team strong. And yeah, thanks for all the continued support. So hope everyone has a safe, happy Valentine's Day. Please go out there and tell the loved ones that you love them, give them a hug and kiss, and treat them well tonight. So with all that, love you guys a ton. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And with all said, we're out. Peace out, everyone.